and also so me mo akwaba edeba Adom TV dwumadie we eye nkranhye dwumadie na osomfo ni tekotego na metedwamu a medi ho chia me gidi sa ho ye me kosoa ebisa empuntu a wonya wa abrabom afi atwamu yi ekọ foforo na abai empuntu be na wope empuntu a wopa abrabom no emfiri obi emfiri se nsuo to ya na nsuo anto isan se minimum asase bi ho a desert ya nsuo nto so na dua de wo ema no ba na ba enti ye nsuo to ya ana nsuo anto enye se tuntum na akokọ ana tete na tenten hwe I'm sure you'll be wondering how you'll be the person who is hindering your own progress. Ni te ko pade no kan me am pese me yeye na beba na se na me anka se me se me yeye de kwan me se wo eba no wade suam eba na sikapem eba no wade mu wo na wo yakwasidie kese emo abrabo so wo gitu mu say ya ka beboa yen. You see, every behavior of yours may not be perfect. Enya bribia na wo suban eye suba da soronko. Sometimes you do what feels right at the moment and it turns out to be very good to you, but it was made out of a bad decision. Trebia wo de ade bia wo ye so we de ma eni ye so ani na nso timupo ade ye no na nya papa na afo anko we papa. Sometimes your feelings get the best of you and you act according to how you feel. Trebia wa tin kan benyan bi buafu munyame hey kitikiti wo de wo fo se wo ye de sefata no nso atin kan akanya no na do akoso yemu. Atinka bi ma kombe do ade bi se me kopenkodi me kopenkoyo na akoyo wiye no na ede se ya abrawo enti abrabo yi no me say every behavior that you bring out will develop into a character. So ben bi abede na die no enche bia na baye ekotwa na abaye wo shebre. Your character will shape your destiny. What is interesting is that the behaviors that may be hindering your progress is that you know they are bad. To the people say they me yenye eni ha na yenye boni ame yenye entra me di wa wunnim se subabu ha woda na dia enye ohunu na nso so ya na edin se baka se ojamu sa suba na wo yo no a wanka se wunnim se enye no be me opu adwuma akotra be akwawe nsa oba fie na wo yere adane punching bag wa wunnim se enye oku adwuma mu a no nkro akotra no nam kwasa sane apon wa wunnim se enye enti yanka se yesu bembo ha eda na dia yenim se enye ma yenhwe suban hodo be edumienu bi a ya me ma twere se emwa yanka nko de di kan abribia obekse oye bibia no na wanka se wadwene se kwan we dey ye you think that the worst will happen. Number 2, gossiping suban bi a esu kwan. Number 3, procrastination me to asheda. Number 4, eniha. Number 5, se wanya sika na spend sika na by heart. Ana empo wo mre de ma wo no wo fanya de papa. Overspending and abusing your money and time. Se wo de wo mre nyina social media, WhatsApp, Instagram, TikTok. Na wonta so num nsuo bebre. Na empo bebia wote a enye no. Eho na wote usuo so be so referee o comfort zone. Enwotwe e woni obi bo wo ha se ka wo jamu na nso ntimi nyamu enkunu not being consistent, or you start something, you go on and you go out. Se wontimi nya ade ma nko wieye pa. Number 10, ofomo a wo say wedding kuguo na watu achine. Number 11, you lack motivation. Wontimi nhye ohun kran. Number 12, you don't know how to say no. Se yakase koyon kwa de meyo, se adome kon kwa de meye, se aban se menko jimi kwa de mejimi, sebe you can't say no. Se na madumi enu we e na me no bebobo ho efiri o chineko enti meja ha baako se wontimi nka da bi mienu se wontimi nhye ohun kran miensa se wontimi nya de ne enwie peyo wono ebiom se ne obi wo ho a wontimi nya mu ebiom se ne awo ye no ana bia wote no anya ma wo no woni agimu a wotimu your comfort zone you love sitting there there also biom se wonta no nsuo bebrebe obeka nsuo de fa ho ben mechiro na you spend too much time on social media sorry WhatsApp Instagram TikTok say and also Emma consider se o se sika na o se wo mre to so biom se wotu ne ma sheda to so biom se wodi insecure to so biom se wodi bibia beka se yobia ade wodi anya yie se ne ma we ena ya consider ene bebebe ne ani ha na emre se mo no mesane mu a che se nti ase ne ma we aya consider na be ya wajai ana meja wo mi a wo hwe mi edi am nyeso aye ni ta kotego me da ase me da mpanifo a obo aye wa Adom TV a wo de dwumade ba aye camera sound MCR and production me da mu nyina ase wa wo nya amere so hwe mi no wo ni onyame entina
Badwam so kase me da se sa no pe wagibre na wo hwe Badwam wa Adom TV so nsem wa yato ye mboase aboabo no me de nyina sobo se Badwam so kase hye ne so se dem live wo DSTV na afa Go TV na Facebook and YouTube so benya nsem pe na wa hwe wo hwe no na wo like na wo share ne nsem abeti ano pe no so kahye bi ne se buna po ye mantam no emu adwuma ko mo hwe ye ahyen eso na se DVL4 wo mu chemu a motorbikes a woni ehon krata no oba bechichire wonum enyina sanso na so afọhwe ngmasua ho nsem so chiremu asua pa ahodo no courses bia wonum ye nya de sade mfaso bia ebre wo mbosua saade no na opanyini ba konsu atufo ekire se ngmasua yade wo sa abofra bia no ye ma no nya bia nya se ase wo ya abofra no papa bi na wo ma no akwanya ama no asua wo ma we ni nsem ahodo bi nam de somo se Badwam so kase na wo hia me a eya freme anoche wa ba atwa se wa finchemu no memfanto so ma Bona poye mantem no emu ko hono a DVL panyine a wo na se Bono East Regional Manager de ma DVL no eye opanyine Eko Sego na one ya ma ne bofo ye ogina enem Christian of Orukuma twetwe nkomodo panyi e tu dwa se so ba eye bona poye mantem ni mu ha ba kwa wo mo eye afidie tetafo ye moto yi bi ene ye so nam krom yi mu ko be ni nenso nkrata ye wo ho no chese eni nkrata ankasampo ya wo monfa ma DVL ma wo monye mu hwehwemu online sese no mo de nam ho no edi sebi nam kwan bi so a enhyede ntwe no panyini kire mu a se nkwanhia no bebrase a je se wo mu frase na wo kekere san krofo ni nyina nti we ye adwuma a oguso awoye
motor riders na omon register motorbike no na omon ni riding license no yeguso a ye public education na abane se enche ye be enforcement ye ni mekun regional police commander a ye ni ho aye discussions enche ebia ochina anase yimbiri kra na ochina ye be start ebium na ya chechi omon register motorbikes no na omon so omon ni license no nti ye chiwa no wa be registration ansane dio motorbike amawa
okade to aso se ahyenkafo emura won office wonom na wo mepetu mikrata e ma hye ya wotwi na wonya se wone mrante ya na wo mo giregyina montene se obetimi aboa wo mo amana kwantama ma wo mo wo frɛ wo mo koro boys no edinsa wo so sanse safo ni nyina ene ka ho asoye na adwuma wo ye no enkoyi
DVL sene mo nimi sene adwuma diti no so oba be adwuma hwehwe obi a in fact ne tag e say DVL staff bia ye was tag bi edan kum ana sa jacket reflective jacket ya cho DVL echi e wo nechi ne kokoso nti oba na hu sa ankofo na ko mo nche na woni ondi adwuma no ho nkomo mpacho ma hie obi oba odukwan no hie obi apɛ na start bi se bisa no license ho asam ne registration ho asam nti e be stress hwehwɛ sa nkrofo ya na se minianum ana me workers a ye na tag day kom ana se che reflective jacket national service for no e reflective jacket na workers ne kita tag se day kom nti oba na woni ebedi nkom adwuma no nkom na yetumi anyway de edu nkom because ayesa na wan hwe ya na wo de usika akomo obi a ebia ani se oni ye adwuma na waje usika na okodi
Yanko my Ghana Mrashe Badwam Public Accounts Committee no omuguswa ya wotna se na de toso miensa na dru na jo hono na soafo ya wo hwe ngmasu ahonsem so doctor wo say ya wodutwum kopie mu na mpanifo busasa nya bia no wogitum sesua pa hodo bia wo mayi mu no wo mu ye courses ahodo bia se kwabra na tue sika esua de sanfie mienu fie miensa fie nan wi anya de se adwuma kra no obenya bie ne hono no panyini wo say ya wodutwum ditu dwa se courses bit say diploma in education say ya na fa sanitation education ni nyina no ene obetue sika ato ho handout akọ lectures nso be wiase ye na ese adwuma ni hono a wo baba ye wo munim pa nti ho na mo ese fata no wo mo betu.
Yes, I know that we have a serious challenges in terms of courses that are offered at our universities. And we are doing something about it. If you look at distance learning programs across the length and breadth of this country, especially championed by Winneba and University of Cape Coast, so many students have been enrolled in diploma in education. They are being trained for jobs that do not exist. Thousands and thousands are graduating for jobs that do not exist. So we've had a conversation with them. One favorite course that I always cite is what is called sanitation education, but there's no course in sanitation to be taught. Development education. Development education for what? UDS. Development studies, undergraduate program. For what job? So yes, I'm fully aware, and we're engaging the universities. I think we need to focus on courses that have relevance to that particular student and to the nation. Invariably, you have BA in education and this university, and it's supposed to prepare students for non-teaching jobs. Which type of non-teaching job are you preparing students with BA in education? The jobs don't exist, but the degree program exists.
Na se ehun adwuma ni ho nso program no de okosua pomu a obetue hu sika besua de mfie nan wi ana se aba be chechire enkate na waton yemfiri ho na afa yen konsem foforo emu Lady Reverend Adelaide Ebadian Hayward Mills wode yafutuo ama Ghana mpanyimfo se wasrada o ma bia dache eye nkwada wonum womu na ngumasua so yade a ewo se ye ma de akwada bia sede de be kan brofum se right no o se uko ma bu do bi so na manfo bi adwiri o se eye privilege asa akwanya na ama wo akwada no se kode kosua de bi o se e ba na se amankora na dache hihim to my Ghana obesre penimfo hwe na wonfo wani ko ngumasua ho se bia nkwada no betumi asua de na dache ye pempenimpa wo mayi mu a wo mu atumi agina ne.
Education should be a right and not a privilege. And not just say, so be a person who where the same utumiko. But unfortunately, no, that's not what we are seeing. No, that's not what life gives us. And so I hope he said by dedicating this conference hall to our Father, we are making room for those who will pass through this institution. Yeah, kwaya ma omuna omwenya bebia ombenya asomdwe esuade. And the law faculty gave a lot to us, and we believe that we should give back. So we've come back, yes, to honor my dad, but also to give back to society.
And wachi ena Moses kweku Baden ya wanya ne baby kro ne ba kwesi atapenyi Baden enso editu dwase emabro no adwense emara ho adesua eyade a wontimi enye nenso o hye wo mu nkra se obibia fa na adwen ensi so na obetimi aye amana broso.
You know, either way focus. The law can be a difficult subject, but as well to that, everything is possible. And law no so no way so many doors for you. I'm in school, but eventually I ended up on Wall Street in America because of them foundation at University of Ghana. So everything is possible. And see, Adam from and wasn't when you said nowhere serious.
Everyone when I answer commercial bedroom in Public Accounts Committee no omuguswana wati hono mo ne ho akohia se wo frɛ oswafo ya wono anase asoye a ehye apomode ho nsem eso na ningo prampra marashe bedwani Sam Nate George na wobusa opanyini ya wono na wo hwe eye apomode ho nsem so eye Dr. Patrick Kuma Aboaje se adenti na 2020 Auditor General's report no ade abetu dwa se okwa yaresa bia hodo aban de no womutam sikatwitwide ekotonnuo wa bra wonfamfa kwantene eso mampanimfo hwehwemu enso ne so nyibi mfirimu ne no na Dr. Patrick Kuma Aboaje trese sasem ya Auditor General's report de abetu abonte no ehia hwehwemu pa nti hwehwemu guso ya ekoso
ability certificate from the regional medical stores amounting to 63,851 Ghana cedis. You are appearing before the committee. This infraction has been drawn to your attention. You seem not to know what the circumstances are that led to this particular instance, because right now it's conjecture.
You go to the regional medical stores, and if they don't have the issue with the non-availability certificate, so you can go outside the market to buy. You've seen some infractions on that area, and we have also advised them to desist from that.
And watching Amrasha Bedwani Dima mention North about one person so Kwesikunedu enso ebisa Ghana Health Service adwumakuo ni se penifo ohwe sika so ewa yaresa bia bi mu a womu abokro no kase pa de dream a sika pudru afa wonsase a woda so ne nam ho emra bia ni woni abre ya womu NSS asem no wa posifo nsem wo no ehun sankaye etesen.
Mr. Alex Say allegedly forged 2 signatories and withdrew an amount of almost about 18,496 Ghana cedis from 2 accounts. But however, the total amount initially was 33,496 10 pesos, of which you funded 15,000 Ghana cedis. Chairman, not only is it, just as I said, I think this also goes against our Criminal Offences Act 1960 Act 29, Section 159, forgery of documents. But they said they've reported the matter to the Ghana Police Service. We would want to know the status of this matter as reported to the Ghana Police Service.
And watching a penny or his castle or Ghana Health Service adwumakuo ni mu Mustafa Amidu Adams chere say oyi nipa bia wotesa no afri bia wo no edo akwahye baabi foforo a ogidi se hode nya de obetumi asan edi bonefo som etesa na posifo nsam a omuguso ehwehwem no nso omu eguso a twensa posifo ede ehumuaye bi ebebre won ya obetumi akasi sudua se nipa a owi asesika no wetua ondiduo mu a wona aka no nso oguso ebo mpempen se obetumi agisika no ede afri won ho.
An update of the status of the police investigations or action on this matter as we were coming. But on the matter of the recovery, the officer had subsequently cleared the balance. Awuche is still in the service. He was the head of finance of the District Health Directorate. So now he is working, and he's no more a head of finance of any facility. He's working under supervision of a senior.
Yanko akatabanso amanyuku NDC emu. Na NDC mpenimfo de atuja en watch seme bosomene da yeto so dumiensa 13th May no wobehwe na afi mpenimfo ahodo a wopre eye pranka tuni eja edi ama amanyuku na afi wo so epesi wogina mu ekopre mrahye beja eja ema amanyuku wa afi mpinu ne aduni na abato mu no obehwe na wayi wonum enyina na sansemi trefo adema amanyuku no eye fifi fiave kwete no de nsemi tuja
na wono a wopese wogina as Franca 2 former party media presidential candidates no omo forms no ombeba NDC headquarters wo ha Adabraka na omako General Secretary office akwa pick forms no form rutua 30,000 Ghana cedis via bankers drafter na onsa akawo form o feli wie so na wo de ba the friend filing no o de 500,000 Ghana cedis ebeka ho no broni say na refundable tuya enya dia we to ya sans wala beje wadi bi
Chairman Edema NDC amanyuko no esedun ketia editudwa se ubi a yebeto so aba awie na wantena o constituency a wo be fria akote bebi na yehwehwe wa yehu no sani pakro no womo ebetwa na bato nim na womo assign to ne foforo.
After this election, we will be monitoring all the candidates who are successful at the end of December, we'll do a review. There are some of the candidates who come and borrow money to come and, win. They take it, and then they leave, and nothing happens in the constituency. If you default in that one, we will cancel the primaries and rerun.
Yanko amayoko fufuro nsem emu Ghana Union Movement yetwede tiase gum opanyina wono no ye kofa bae Reverend Christian Kwabena Andrews wodi ade hwede ade afutu ama Ghana fo nyina se wosrada asa Ghana fo ani ewa amanyoko akase mienu so MPP anya MPP a NDC wo so wo nso ene edi o my Ghana nya enti se wo ho na pese o my Ghana koyiye na se breso afempinu ne aduonu na animo no wo to aba wo homoden se Ghana Union Movement gum ana beto aba ma no den sema to jase.
NDC and MPP cannot help us. NDC, they are gathering themselves again to come and deceive us, to rob us again. They robbed us before Nana Akufo-Addo came to power. Please, please, and please, help us to save this very country. Gum, we are going to work very hard.
Enwechi osan chire mu se de abai yere wo mo akwa homugye mu any individual bondholders amwaje domestic debt exchange program no atomo no entwa yie ewo omanyi emu
omo akọ pension anomo ye adwuma wie na metie obi wo social media oso kotra buchi na ye na adwuma en wonye ne sika no de aba en wo de akwakoto bond ewo aban mu en mo ahye ne bose busu bi obenya bibi e de edidi sese no de mo se mo je fini nsem afia etim impo de wonya so mfa so bia de sika botre mpo obegina de nso amomfa ma no na emom isi wo twa kopi memfie bi edi animu enti se nipa we obeda didi we enya kro no enya awi we enya robbery kese enti ye besere se ye de saade no tutumu a ebe mo man no akọ ahonyehiem ye mpanyifo baayi mo amfa hwe amre ni o mo san betwe mu ja ano
Honomana yenko ensem fufuru emu ana yeko asunafo South Mense no emu ewa hafo mantem no emu omanfo awonom ewo ye senua wo mu kyeremu a honom no wo kwhye honom ani ekọ no forget nya de so obenya network mpo no waye bi se mobile money abaso ya kwabra ni gina ba bi send scam ma we nya de so wo ye bi ye na mpo so obenya call ana se akwanya na wafre wo yonko ana se wunua bi a yiso okofuru dua ana se odi ahoma sofo num achechira bodua so na evrengi ani edibrika be fra so masie ofo na evrengo se bebia yedru so man no wo so ahoyehi atise mu no ha adwen pimpanimfo meye wadom
how ba kwa ye face pa ye network yi network ko yekro mu ase wo sha se ye ni biaba bibia nso akoye network sem any digitalization yanso ye ni network ko yekro mu ase ti yesra ban any one a ka bi ye MTN, Vodafone, other networks will be o me yamwa no me sipo yi mai o shakura ye di kan be edipo yi bia ba ha se atu ho amana wie nanso ye saba yi support ne de ko ti extra ban so me yamwa o shebi ne ye otisoro kura network ntina o ti bia yi so a open network ayeko ti extra ban so me yamwa
Kobi amwa mensa eye afimpinu ene aduonu Penyina wojina wa MPP amanyukuo ni din mu se won mo was na for South ento aba ema no na woni amani boni etwetwe nkoma wode to nanimu se asuaye a ehwe enkitahudie ho nsam so no asoma adwumayefo aba mensini nim hono mu a wo behwe ohawo a wonom ewo mobile network nsem sebe obetumi aba be ye hu bibi ama wonom
Minister for Communication, what means a maybe a chair or some from a mobile pro our constituency. I'm almost share says I said the Bay network some a bit me across meaning say Sabria, I can say insane intimidating now so called Dantano network, then you was to say a Juma, Oko and Rema network in you as I say a Juma, Oko Drew Chroma, do also the network in you a Juma. Meaning say, and you may go a and repent a hassle so gift for anyone now who can want more winning in the telecommunication and more and also very dream of yes so
Yere kasia na akogudie duru so no de bonkwata hodo aba mum pensempensi mu afo ye online stories okọ adomonline.com na afi myjoyonline.com en samu hodo ya tregu edi se wo kan bie onye wunti ase na hunu se de o mine kro no ne nyina ye ba be wo boso ama ma ye kradu de na wo so hunu se incoming so aba incoming aba na se
incoming na cameraman won hwe so nyi wadwuma who can incoming and then now who me say China a different story. Oh, me a shame be. Go China a different story. And then now who me say
incoming be
ready to go ball. Oh, my kaita when I'm a boboli. So say pa you come to phone.
Go say pa. Oh my boboda.
Buzampedu. Uni masa football pa ya bopa. Labor runabout. I like the groups have fire those times. I'm a dear school park in Chenwa. You don't have an idea. Yes, Nipa say ya suntin jeze ya ni agrobia da o. Me say and then na wo me say o. Me food the dey say wa da chi. Me bo 2000 be food the dey say wa. Una nyame adom wo fu ya flat fa. Yes, so association of fu kesi e be kon sa.
Ai, one pack for no. Say 6 ni unji mi nka ho ba obefa one pack sa ana na yese na say enkrofo koye tummy tackle mema no
baby edunu no
na no ye ne a plastic surgeon bi di nkomo wo kolebu o se mema nyina aba ebe ye beji 6 packs no for na say we nsi ana say aha etumi yiyi omoye musade nyina nya 6 packs
ebi mi di mi ma ko yi ba mi de mi ye be obvious be ye we wa ko yi
yes mema abobra no one pack mo abobra no 6 packs
ye che obia de here to say pa ni say e bi abeka kire de here to say pa ni say o de bomodia na hwe wapom de nsem obi o ha oso pa yi wa be kwakonye we hwehwemu on ni pedua no uti be bibia de na kwam obi o so datia de say osmosis obi kona cholesterol share
ma say twom
iti de here ni say wo de hwe wadidiem ne wo exercise kakra bia wo ye no hwe ni yi and the most important thing na say obi so unya park ni bi so de at osmosis when da chi ni mo na no so go through a certain process ye try bia ene ye ne enkro mo nko e bi hwa kra nya no aduru bi ni akwa 6 pack ana fe so ye be ma na oba na hwa nkro ma ye careful ebi ni mu de so for Israel enye papa ba akokora o nkro mo hwa tum enkro mo e dini pewu na be see me take compound house the next door neighbor no otimi hwan ma ni bubu mi wo ni inside ba nyina unada
Onso ba sare akumache
me ka ma fon se we we to visa wa serious yeah we need them ye dey be kuma me say nkromo nya no adura ke be boy
say ti dey we share nipa na yeah huni yie sometimes it's good to compromise but adibi wo ba a lifetime o
dale
wotu ewu mpo obi ohwa nkro
eni pa bre o me see tumi da
de be sume ya
de be da na enyo ma enko ebi de akwara de tipa truck right we am ne ya kesi sem nyina no ya shawsa
obi da no ohwa nkro mu changes but
oh ebi asipa de be si uni mo bi ara friend akwa hwe nyoma ekoso no
omunko de wo ho
enfifre tia tinipa aye odwan enwinti no hu no unim tia na oti pupu no anko obi ani ade bi a hyiren bi a ofisi esika kokko
kafra
ene no no kafra nyasa wa hwe won susawa na eko bi nkwa na afa nkwa ni na hu se ase nkwa we de eye kotodweni na nhwedua no modo ya obekom kwa na wo de ne fa beta Timi se obo wa obra according to wa woni su ade hunu na sire onyame se onnom no tutu anam nsi de bia da me ba me kai wo it's very important wo de obra na obo no kotutu obi de ho a wo wakatua 1000 obi akatua 25 ono otikim piski edidi wo so kotra kim piski edidi
o man ye de akatua no to nje kwa be ka se adwuma ya ye wo mu yi ebi kwa de ajepe so ebi a me ma ameti abruchi man to so $1,000
full support
atare wo de breme
full support. Full support.
Afeso a wo 12,000 dia kutua no kwa 1,000 Ghana e ma na wo de wo to de papa si fie wo nkra wo ntua rent na wo ti wo so
aha yo ti misre ye ba ni edi sa nkomo na enyina esua bio eno adana me ka wa sempa me ka se obi ade home economics aba ni fie me ma no na me ka na mosre starting the year right obi de ye futufo bi hye dwumadi na se ba ko futuo de ba se wo fie kura se ya pese nkwada nja me ka na motivasi me se me mat train no mampokua onu musuo no na se ka nam de ade abe fam ho mampokua na masa choko ano na ma nam de ase free
tu hia no akoyi
tu hia ontimi ko fam
ko foforo eno ano
bread first ne de ba ko betu ana me ton 20 cities na me de bread de ba omo de ko 4 days 5 days down papa ba ko de ko 6 days and na me de omo ko 2 weeks u try to say the oti Somalia komodo no so ase ebo abo because no na na edi enim no emu ye den ba
sa akora so
ko create na me conference that 1 week na komezi bi ye be ko 3 weeks tu nya me nya kra anka nipa mienu no miensa na omba che kosia mienu e o chia na matim papa
say na wo toast e ne bread we are na kan ato so achi
mo dia na mo adjust ene ye ntonyo ma bi me ya bread ntade e wo nyina ye ye samra back because January nipa bebre anyi omo because rent abom so if you're a funny big crowd home to the sense 4:30 a.m. me only see sorry in terms and 4:30 was obon kongo be no achina o nyame fi na metina on onya hwe o chezo obati so okay ya on cafe na wan kasa oni pe bia no
zim would nyina say for the day
say ye bro mi nyame mesi ye frɛ waji ye so ye bre papa tu so fu isi na se pampa pa nyese bia wa sheda wo adwendwene so ka ho epeja pampama e pa no na nche ne nyina nwini fu na pampama
na ka me se ukọ asori dem na utwa picture free a kire se ya me tu nyina pampamu apa
nya nyize
na fomo
araju aba e de ho akọ wo se de bia bi na kra ma nya careful oni mbe wie ni pepepe mi so e kon
ka ja asori dem ma bia me ma na ti ya gina kire se ne twa picture uwi a zoom in na hwe omu nyina pampamu
all right
ena fomo
ja
ye ne de empire so ayefita 32 bra na wa fu
wow hwe ese sia no so obe 34 oh friend oh headline fabre the headline be man send call lines so it your number the 0302 211701 equals 4 0302 211701 equals 4 oh the other come so be also person kire wadwuna bi wa na ye ntimi anka na percent man capture na online so ntimi afo akoma so ade ambrɛ into the fabre breath ya we mu na ntimi ni nkomo but anocho aba ye be ko han mo say there na wa IES sends strong message to PRC over new electricity tariffs increase that day we there ye fan ko ba bia ma ntiase enya jumada e free 1992 ubekaya bribia da no you know so na we there e basa nti message say e basa mo me ye ntiase say sa na say e hihye o man dia to
o man sanction e be ye in the sense last 2 weeks me de amo ECG app no
yeah
me to prepaid 100 cedis na emergency
okay
and I me use nuri nti your phone and e ka ho ti me we na me saw phone na me say me check my balance me check na my 39 cedis 90 pesos my 200 cedis within 1 minute oh me am me 39 and you will tell me say me deka e then I me use prepaid na me deka prepaid you pay as you go
there be say me dey kind na me fast akwanya
ti say me koto ansa what me
me fast akwanya na me chechiro mu e ase we na me be ka wo e no abo ame na no da me so me ni ho antu sa me wo hwa me wo se me kan ya no you echo off ana me koto obi gusu me to gusu ana
na no so asasa me say 39 I need 2 days
ana me frɛ na mo so o deka prepaid me de ka say so the net me use chip there no so network no ana nti sometimes the network require nyina so yi a e bit ma supply power asem ne ho no
debi we nyansa ko no mo Ghana
come sa one day my channel pay Harrison ma che
e fa me Harrison me ka se free boost me frɛ ho
oh boost me frɛ ho yo
o ma hini we dey anopɛ ye da ma se be se mama ye kwan na Mekasama yen teacher trainees are recruiting in 2022. Adaroma mumwa yen ayen so ye bre. Asa 2022 proha imubinya appointment bepemen le o mine could you imagine say yen staff ID my imagine say me fisifi assignment so na ya posting me out to Bosome Frehon district. Now from all this while the staff ID my imagine the beno ibi wo kwa parents any be and a radia adoma yenya akwenye na just staff ID you be generate na ka yeso yen bibi kakra na ya support ye mama ne yen papa no mo yare ofin but plan na ye wura 2022 over 8 months 7 months staff ID for GS intimi mayindi ye tinye cheka o ma hene ye bro o mo ye duma kra ye chi o mo ka no o mu susu ye bre na ye na ye chi obi kroso a yenya staff ID yen cheka o ma imagine in fact ye bre mon ka bi my staff ID over 8 months 7 months
so yeah, that's it. And some of these things, you know, repeating who mind over years. Yes.
Mama papa over years. But
over
still,
years.
repeating
who say you're national. We're going to coffee kasa.
Coffee match, baby, I can free.
Yo, but you so because free the next month.
Yentio.
Ghana and Cassandra, and mobile money now. Muchendi, you know, about this, I'm gonna be I'm gonna because Danzela Fube, our kind of thing. Omoba, Omu, as or motor chip. Beyond man, mobility, Omu chip, that's Anna, Omu mobile money, Omu account. Because so far, of course, could be accounts only access and as only amount will be account or didn't capital, will be mobile money, no issue. So if you have an answer, Omu big say, Momu issue, I say. 11 na there na already start chip no in there no anya na aka na ko touch chip no abi obi na touch chip no man no so in back no tum ko December no also yin scan na free mobile money na account no mo the sa mo na aba no sa 11 no edua ni baby kan edua sa chip na already san so kan so na man na Ghana ready in the bay no
Abraham that's not just say
it's good say
previously mo na mo ma ye kwa me to touch chip no wo kwanchen.
I'm not sure about the one that can be.
Say, Marche.
Yeah, Marcho.
If you are free.
Make a free Akosomo.
Yentio.
We Ghana card no issue. Me say, be correct, but the date of the almost change, you know. Instead of January, I'm going in March. After me the coin, say name fan court to say, then I mean, swear. Then answer na my big thing. And I'm catching me in case you know, may use match and because many problem there may use match and
so that's just almost a sound date of birth and I will soon be using
there be and co usually silent for some amount. There be the SSO ye. Yes, I won't use us and there were one. I
contradicting dates.
Yeah, the SSO is very important.
Why?
Only Rashid,
Marche.
That's what I've been a busy with us, no.
Baby's a Ghana education service for
Rashid.
Rashid,
I don't know. What's the question? Simple.
Yes,
you know, some Crawford started checking.
I'm saying now,
yes. They mumble to master at Tonyama. I would go on after.
Any about we penny we answer.
Okay. About there, Marche.
Hello.
I'm not as
a my channel pay.
But I say,
the chairman of pay.
Yeah, Joso, into you.
I'm the pioneer, madam. The first time I'm motivating you. The same power of confusing. I will say, I come up here. Not that prepared as smoking. Little mini na mnafu bresi sibuna o how I will cook a dia Ghana cano what the calico biano no I don't account for Paul Kine was you come a community Madame account for if I can't fit me queer who you let my cashier let my ketua o big young Peru kind of minute it's a bassa and so Ghana you say Christian country Nigeria for a for among for Crapon, almost doing papa. It make us make Madiati, and the Pega Mishamuna, like I say, Unia Bemano, Cabrama Manga Santi, say, oh, Sutra, Madame for a sports madapa, Mapa, all kinds of many different crimes, and two questions about many mission become what you want. Let us see the other. Oh, my, Mr. Pauka, Christiana.
So, suspected burglar lynched at Ashaman, another in critical condition.
Nipa mi yenu na akɔhwɛ box no a. Ne mom ko we provisional.
Oh,
Milo, Mereke, a corn beef. Box I na ba ku blocks no mo de.
Oh, Debbie. Oh.
Yes, so which the pana we suspect. For posifo, no as at 5:40 a.m. a posifo ba na ba ku. And I am a 14-inch TV. And yet 32 mpo. TV ketwa bi na neka ho.
We are not encouraging it, but at once, that instant justice, maybe. It could be a wrong person. Oh, nti yesremu watch the pano nyame adom watch no. They say when you now they hand it over to the Ghana Police Service. But uchi ne frakra onim de ekosokra osubo no akunewi. Madarma prekupe odi atemu oba nipa ho sa na yaka che sa de na hu nya instantly now panyan.
Asem so timi ni asem hia. Ebi kwa mi pia badwe so me crowfo me so maso mirika.
Me say madarma mon to bo ase. You know. Now you find encourage ye ho no say mrantie ni titiru. And then more amodi atum ho say adwuma mo ye frosters. Ana mo nam ta na mo ye mo dese. Your friend say mo ye
front boy or game boy.
Yeah, game boy.
And na guess ne pe. Their guards akukudru omo wo frɛ omo ho say me de me bu omanfo kwase. Eji omo dollars.
Daily Graphic say AG Bastit and tax evaders warns corporates will face the law. The Chronicle say dual citizenship ghost hunting NDC. Horror. Lady hangs herself and son. It's horrific.
And run here follow. Rest of the akra na much training sa. Na dey ahoma so ne mene. Asa no maame so and.
Daily Guide. Boga MP chases trial judge and arrest Ahmed Swali killers. GGA demands. Ghana committed to climate solutions. Ira Jinapo Anakase. The big one. Exempt small bondholders. MPP to government. And what's them? And a Daily Guide.
Oh, my story whereby pa on say sabi be two just almost per spam and eggs.
Yes, no
voluntary donation to the banners of Mama. Yes, some crop for kwasa lie. Hey, I was most say me tisika the comedy. I do tnasi I go akonya so what na so. What tisika so and a comedy one and crop for dimri come spams. It's almost say do manya ne. Mo bia ma hobi. Eggs ne do manya ye.
Okay.
Say I come the crofo.
You be see anu, I'm not sure about I don't mind any cabras and that's a baby that's how you better also Adom TV. You be say share kwaba.
Right, abusia yentwa so akodi ensemo. Ensemo ya na toso de se fata sa otiaro pa bia na Sedimo gel and roll on, yes, ya konkoma yen some right bro, Sedimo, pin be quiet Sedimo, we bet here oneexpress.com and matches na name dao enti nese kado hunji mo fanyi mo enkachi oneexpress.com abribiano available ko phone so na download the app no. How call browser so oneexpress.com no bet na we discard ya go bottom now Jifas Meshta e go so ma me matiapo e go so mama atiapo because so tiapo we ditua Jira na so se bema jira na so by Jifas Mesha na eboa ewo sa ekwan ne so bena pare botwe se jema no twa producers na no pai kejwana kasane Erica Siedu bodi yemfa highlights kakra of Anra games ni bi emfamra in the EPL na Manchester United hwenemu so be fra kotoso mienu wo league table ne so we win kura wie ne last minute Crystal Palace timiti omoka United atwen draw nra after say Bruno Fernandes edi kan ebo first goal di ma so nra Manchester United na we mo atwen draw no but United fan bi as they say or share United game to say feeling kakra feeling wom say de ina trama mo homre so pa toman timi ankoto so mienu a ese miensa na no moto so wo 39 points and number share say bia Tottenham betima hye Man City amama say City so 39 points a won to so eye mienu tena ye hwe say Man City ni Tottenham must be game no ebe kosen Arsenal still or that so a wo gene ho bamba ne yoyo a anya sam keto akra na enkopi mo Italian Super Cup e ba so Saudi Arabia Inter Milan and AC Milan e ba na we na Inter Chelsea abonomi ensama AC ni ada okra Inter Milan back-to-back wins last season on Nigeria Masanje Bako asande atwa so ama to me ashe AC Milan sa yemo remuje the Italian Super Cup Basel Riyadh Saudi Arabia and ekoko wiesa no na yenkopie mo the Chan tournament and so Basel Algeria and matches Basel na DR Congo Ivory Coast Obian Shebi and Senegal and Uganda ball Senegal by go to right until no need your course so on Chan tournament anymore Senegal they say they are sharing and then rest Ghana and Sudan at the PM so 7 p.m. live commentary was some family at Adom FM so Shannon so mame and in share FM so the Jiremu den also enjoy prime and team patro ya jayi de ni they brought den past Sudan and then Ghana then to me anya results papa bia game yama obi be say forget it Emfa and anya some keto ebeko emu abra ye call down akọ he ebeko so in other stories but oneexpert.com and I can head in some that day bro oneexpert.com betting companies nebu papa no oneexpert.com na yen konkore sane other stories say tie copy mo the public accounts committee and some koso papa and some the National Sports Authority pani Director General Kotenas and yebisa bisa and some near dia na documents be yebisa na papa dey for ne ho just ohun di okakra na no anas arem ya anas video beto dwa National Sports Authority panifo ABF refremu a besi na yebom Kotena FM fra omo musika sem aye something which is there near dia yen koko share the committee na se niam akoye
were exonerated others were found culpable. This particular individual was part of those to be investigated. And to date, we haven't received a report on him from the investigation. We've done a number of follow-ups at the police service, who also confirmed to us that indeed they are investigating the officer, but then it was commissioned, the investigation was commissioned by the presidency, so they will submit their report there, which we did a number of writings through our sector ministry to the presidency for the report to be issued, so that we will know whether the person is found guilty for us to be act on it or is to be reinstated. Till date, we haven't received such a finality, and it has been a challenge for us indeed, officer who is his.
On your own. So what you're telling me is that even beyond this period, he's being paid. Where are we?
So on interdiction, he gets 50% of his salary.
I think you are shirking your responsibility. In fact, I am of the opinion that you have the right to make a determination regardless of what the presidency might come up with. And I really think that after 2 years, you're not being fair to this gentleman, especially if he's innocent.
In fact, a number of times we have written.
When was the last time?
Last year, but I can't confirm the actual date.
To them?
Yes.
To the police?
Yes, we have a number of.
Do you have a copy of that letter?
Chairman, we will furnish you with some of these correspondence and the petitions that we gathered over this period.
Have you really written to the police? You knew you were coming to answer questions on this particular issue. Why didn't you bring the necessary correspondence? Because see, if it was you who have been on half salary for 3 years, I'm sure you would have taken some action.
Those letters you say you've written to the police.
Yes.
Can you give us a copy?
That is what I indicated to the chairman, that I'll make them available because...
Sir, what did you think you were coming here to do? Didn't you know that you have been cited for these items? Then you come and sit here in presence of the committee, you tell us that you bring it later on? Did you think you were coming here for us to ask you how you were doing?
Investigated. Some of them were exonerated, others...
Nemo koye no odum se na agene nsem yo saa na woye stadium ahodo obisa na se no de na monjan saa do akwakogu wani mu ase ti patro yebedi achi ahwe na ehwo ano the sports minister ensoko bi na komo didi mu ono na yebisa na se da ben na Black Stars coach eba na obe eburu ni ana bibini eno na honorable sports minister Ra Mustafa Yusuf edenchemo ema committee no.
After the World Cup, countries that lost their
head coach have made effort of replacing them. And you've mentioned countries like Portugal, France, and they've even renewed. Some of them contracts have been renewed. In Ghana, the FA, which is the agency or the organization in charge of making sure that they hire a coach, is in the process. And I personally have engaged them, and they are working to, as at last week, the indication was that they will bring the final report to the ministry, possibly this week or next week. And because I also know that we have an assignment in March, and we need to have a replacement of head coach in place so that he can start preparing in earnest to get our team in place for the AFCON qualifiers, which is going to take place in March. So countries should be assured that the FA is working to ensure that we get a replacement.
Right, and on area, Honorable Sports Minister, to your committee sitting. I say, Shannon Sumame, say, set more gel and roll on pin, set more gel and roll on. Now, if you copy more the Black Galaxy of Ghana and anyway, Ghana Genemo 7 p.m. Now, you see a tournament in the see a Kenya Crash and the first match in Adabraka and Shadam for David Wagner, a player at the Mother Galaxy. So, Munishia, Senombe Winnie.
This is a press conference which I cannot disclose what we have seen and how we're going to approach our game. All I say is we are going in with a different mentality and to win the match at all costs. Since something went wrong, I will definitely make changes, but I don't think it will be much. Maybe just 1 or 2 changes. We are going into the match with a different mentality, unlike what happened in our first match that we considered.
I think sometimes when you get the opportunity to look at your opponent, it gives you a fair idea about what kind of approach to take. But in our situation where we haven't really seen them, what is important for us is to learn our strategy and focus on executing it to the very best. We have done that quite so well. The feeling in camp with the boys. We are back to training and staying focused for the game. We are prepared, like mentally we are focused. We are, we know the chances that we have going into this game. We know that it's a difficult one. We know what will happen if we don't win, and we know that we need to win for us to have a chance. I think this recognition is enough for us to want to stay focused and go out there and execute whatever plans that are.
Right, man, on David Wagner, Tienebe, Senator came on see a call, Chief Asmisha, Ekehona, I didn't summon what they bro now. SCSHD plus Ghana, woman, Spontaneous Media, I can't more the new channel about among Beshe na sports. I hold on, I'm for be a Filippo AG plus. So, Bana Paributri, it is our story next.
HD plus Ghana, upper football channel for from to ma, ni ding edis call. HD a 24 hours channel benya bibia efa football na CEO edema SES HD plus Ghana orayere Adelaide Abiu Williams in some way.
The addition of Score HD to the HD channels available on the HD Plus service further demonstrates HD Plus's commitment not only to the delivery of your favorite channels in crystal clear high definition quality, but also the provision of world-class features that enhance the TV viewing experience of viewers, such as the ability to pause, reverse, record live TV, and also the control to watch TV on your phone whilst on the go via the My HD Plus app, and also catch up on programs that have been aired 48 hours after they've gone live. And all of this, we give you free data every month on the My HD Plus app.
na dwumedie no ase no ex footballers no bi ebepie mu ebi etese Jimanol Ajumambedu Augustine Ahemfo ni Odate Lamte Fatahu Dauda ana afenso Ibrahim Tanko wonyina edwonim die ebetai dwumedie n'echi president Edema Swag Kobna Yeboa na opa dwumedie no nyina ntoma ono so ediwei etudwa.
Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I have followed with keen interest the operations of SCA's HD Plus in Ghana and their unflinching quest to offer Ghanaians the best of television viewing by providing quality services and programs to the homes of its subscribers. The launch and addition of Score HD on Channel 151 to the quality list of channels of HD Plus is therefore a great testament to that. And on this note, let me say that we declare the channel duly.
Right. Eno ne de kwabna ye boa ne wo mama ka nyina kan ye wo dwumadie na se ye beda ye bena paribo twa se odi program ya chi oneexpert.com kan wona ye dwumadie de bro sanso na eno edanche study more gel and roll on bibia pin bia be kwa study more gel and roll on G-Fast mixer eso ejina so come on G-Fast oh G-Fast there aka be ma jina so oba jina nice so yo oba ya ka se obi your form a G-Fast mixer na mo nya form sa omo ken wona ire I can see bra on na pay wo bedwam dwumadie so be na pare bo twa me producer channel so mama say image wire na share matade na no pay come on aye for image wire 0546452111 0546452111 na image wire twen komo ma na me manyina be so to na bibia ni tipa kai say ona na kasa ba ka kejwa na ho ereka se edubari bedwam guso koso ahwe
Merase so guswe she bedre Badwam TV so de adruso no eye fisem ha ena enkomo ai wo fie de wo se church wo na hu na mo wasetena ne abrabom ekoye no ye gebre na ye ne mpanimfo anim ho de edi hu enkomo nti wo hwe ha no in fact onye mistake ne ye bedi enkomo pi na kai se nwumako akodo bi ne kwam mam de fisem ebro St Andrews SHS wonim dada se eye grade A school nye school ni school sa abre ya nkrofo ni abre twen wo bi si we your bad time upe school papa do bana kwa and one is St Andrews SHS omo ewo eye boarding facility ewo 24/7 so omo campuses no omo to apeten asemfo su omo ho man kase bo no ewo ho ni wadubia se dunkwa ono fe se hwia sanwen so na afi akra so omo otashi shaman so eye takrade nti ene mpedimfo nkasa 0244696911 na wonom enye wo so na afi fa oba no ekoho kidiment syrup eyemofra mojedru oba tan wawo oba no ona ma wo nabi onidi akora na yesro ha wodidi pie kora na ofere pe kidiment syrup ema no bora pharmacy bi ebenwo oso pe nkoda mojedru kidiment syrup na fama no Calcate toothpaste so ye nkwada paste a eduturi wonse yase foundation no eho hia wo si dan ya ne mosro no foundation ni hia enti akora na frase epie buo na the Calcate toothpaste amana tuturi de se na ese ne se no enya ahoden na ye kama se nyi wekwe de kra mu ma fisem dwumadie mede eso wono pay se wo hwe bi nso awra abusua kame ho kwate na ye ni nkomo na doctor atena se so de na wose ohunu se ya pomodie ho nkomo na ye ba na ya bedie na nsa kra no awoda pa shronko enkomo menua Angela Adwampofo wo ya anji semia wo ya adwa semia onim se menua no way back freedom kwa ono fe Rescue TV ne ne mu 7 years of friendship and you've been amazing. Happy birthday to you. I love you so much, Angie. Menko Dr. Honafi, yeni nkomo. Dr. Isaac Frimpong, every Star Health Clinic. And we're joining me. Dr. Frimpong, Marching. Akwa banso. Empom yeboko.
Obadiado.
Then yanko pansi. Eni yedi nkomo. Sa de we kwa no ekire manfo bebre no a adwen wada romaya na wa ma one so ama me. Na nkomo na yede na yakono. Immune system nkomo na yedi.
Okay.
Nipa bebre ni ma de kro. De no say na nkwamo na immune system no na ye ka se immune system no kro de ade a.
All right. Mamenchi ahwefo nyina. Say immune system there a very broad topic ankasa. And immune system bebre na ate. But I'm say bebre na ni ma de kro de potin a eye. And then ebenya daje na yetimi a chirechiri mu yie na wa otifia ohunu say ye brofo kakra no ye breaking it down now so wetimi abeti ase ye ka say immune system a you can immune, that is immunity system as a adebia a adwuma bom. Nti you can immune system a nkwamo bi e woni pedua no mu a na adwuma a oya ne say one empam yare na yare amba. Two anase yare ba emboa na entity yare no ma ne nkontem.
Okay.
Nti aboa to prevent yare and asen aboa to heal you. Nti with weak immune system no untimi ntwiti yare bia nya results.
Na say we immune system no eni ahoden e we say nya no a
aduro bia no ma benum kra befa anya adwuma.
Na say wo mo atore bia mo yare awo no maduro achi na enko ne ana system immune system ne ka ho.
Immune system ne ka ho. Because say immune system na ayenkwamo na epam yare na esan saw yare no. Say oboade no the way a oboade ye nipadua no. Otena se dwen ho at times a untimi nti ase enwie. But obehu say ye be yare. Ye nipa ne de ye be didi anom yi de ye be yare and oye sa nkwamo ne say ye yare a na se mpo aduro ni ho a nkwamo ne mpam yare no. Nti ye obi ho a on time ko hospital on time numeduro otiminya even this common malaria bi onya omo ma na do a onnom but with time otimi recover.
Na se saafo no nso wo ho.
Saafo no ho.
Obi ti se wo be kampadu se ono si fisi e wo no be si se wo bro 40 years onyare nko hospital da wontina so nam ho.
Ono se no ye be yese ye assess no no ye be ba be so okita the strong immune system. Emma kwan ma ne nyare. Empo so yare a immune system no ko form kakra na yare wia no ho ba immune system kro na keke out.
Na se almost no yade be ba je se awia no ho
se awia
enya kwan na se de ho ha no wawura still na immune system na ho de no
bounce back itimi san pam yare no fi
okay
nti wontimi ntwiti obi yare wa bra immune system no what down eno nti na wo mo enya ace no omo treatment na ha adwen kakra no ene se yemfa ne se ansa no bi benya ace no this odi nkanya HIV no
yes.
And HIV no the whole meaning the human system no human immune virus immune system no na apemo ho no
okay
human your immune system the virus
that's odi ka attack immune system nansa
say you can computer virus enim say ade e say computer the human no immune system no and also say virus
I say they betumi asay
good and say immune system no is onya human immune virus na and only immune system no ade e be say no now what na ho na for immune system ne say wia and na obeba benya ace no and ace no so ye acquired immune system na na say pie ho no deficiency e say enya adwuma
wow sana syndrome no kra be ka
syndrome ne symptoms inti acquired immune acquired say wanya bibi immune system are deficient enya adwuma na ne symptoms that's the whole meaning of it
okay
nti wanya immune system enya adwuma
symptoms
good symptoms ni be the same immune system ni enya adwuma ade say even utikura amfu yi so immune system no control everything in the whole system utie ntimi mfu yi infection bi ba enko ekroketua bi ne betu a enwu and rashes ketua bi kra na be ba enko bebre ba
ba nam ho se wo ne padua ne nam ho saa
because mframa ye humi free radicals bebre wo ma e was ye yare but immune system nti ntumi nyare ensu aye nom no bebre na nka ye nom ya was ye yare on se akuafo no on se ya na omom ye no ba ya atosode no ti se bia obetwa ba market this week on found so be spray so last week ya na was ye twa dia ba
so pesticide on pesa mo berry
nka ye dia was ye wu but because ye won immune system ni ntino ye dia imu if I what I say
na say our immune system ni de nya say nya tetofom a na say wonam ho se
ni ntino obi a nya 8 bia no
ye no hwe nye ye
eni da so edi ho
okay
say your immune system na virus HIV no wanya dia ya na emwa kakra ho ba twen won be ye ace bia ace ni just immune system na say kra ho eni ho
deficiency
I deficient
okay
eni ho enya adwuma and yare bia no so obenu madro dia treat a e was say yare no nya immune system na support no ba jwa say nti ye beba bedu how we boost immune system na naturally we beba be hu say yare bi kra ho a unya utimi di aduane bi e ma yare no ko abra won medro
enti me immune system say o me mu minim se me di agro kakra bi a metumi asɛ na metumi ama na hoɔden akɔfom ɛdeɛ na enni sɛ meyɛ ɛbɛma de bia me immune system bɛyɛ kama.
Okay, immune system no nneɛma bebree wɔ hɔ a wɔbɛyɛ a ɛbɛma immune system na hoɔden akɔfom ɛna nneɛma bebree nso wɔ hɔ a wɔbɛyɛ ama hoɔden akɔ so nti nneɛma a wɔbɛyɛ ama na akɔfom no bebree na yɛ nnuanedie ebi nso yɛ suban mame bobo suban ni bi so kakra na njam pembre nnuane sem no so suban ni bi ne sɛ obi a ne bufu bebree o wiki immune system no bibia
obi a ne bufu bebree na nem so the immune system ho bɛyi
o say ebra wani agye no nipadua no produce some other forms of nyoma bi a ɛbo ma nipadua ne adwuma yie kama pa ebra obu afu no those nyoma ni bi produce mba
yes what na say mo obi hye wabufuo de bia wa na wo ha wo immune system
ntina wo mo a ɛpa bufuo pa na tanya akoma yare no
okay
ebajo ata say
okay nche no anya pressure
no anya pressure we otide de bi pɛ opakwan atu ahwe
okay
ebajo ata say ɛno yɛ 1 2 obi a odwen bɔne bribia
adwen bɔne fo no so ka ho
sɛ ntina bible sɛ adwen pa na adwen pa hwɛ so no
okay
obi adwen bɔne bribia o wiki immune system no bribia o betimi ayare bribia ɛno da nkyɛn a yɛhwɛ nuane sɛm no obi a aduane bi te sɛ aduane a ɛyɛ too much fatty mojanam bia
sadeɛ bebree anwa bebree
okay idea ɛno no it doesn't really add anything to immune system na hoɔden a ɛbɛhia deɛ ɛtɔ so biom anhwɛ you be shocked tomato sɛ wokonkom
say the jollof yi a ye ne taba bo mu tetetare ayi so ma nkwada di tomato paste
ya membo brand bi
me kwa membo brand by weekend immune system siga benya nka ya ye ntosi ye ne wa blend na de no aye wade okay
me ma me sa no ye ne tomatoes ofani bebree no wa blend it na wa noa na ada ne paste then no the
fridge no tete de ye aduane
on fan fridge ma or the oil be cover so
any yes nti ya enhura
still natural tomatoes
okay
the ntia ne say tomatoes e paste e okrum nyina no bebre na ofa na kan ho ingredient e wo mu a obeba behia salt e wo e normal because ye de koye nkwan
yes
ye betimi abehia sugar e wo
na nkwan de nka sugar
minim se wa hwepen ya nti nka hwan na sabe nani da ho kan a oye nkwan a ode salt ni sugar nyina bekum ebeba be hia color ewum
de ma na ye ko no
good nti no se ye trans ni ehwe ni ma ewum ni nyina bewie a ye behu se enye healthy food bio
na se no so na ma jollof na ni ye fe na no ma hene ni CJ jollof for mo ye na di mo he ewi ase o mo si CJ de ani aye ho ya ye so jollof ye pe de color wo mo
se no problem no ni problem because enuane bi no mo ho a with time no you benya adaje ni abe educate people on and enuane bi ho a ya nya for your health ye for money
ya nya for wo pomodin
no
ye se o mo de be pesika
exactly
enti wo na we se ohunu nyansa hunu se we mini
good
nya de abadwa so bia na ye todi okay
eno achi some fruit drinks soft drinks
anom de bi ababa so
ye de
udi ana kala na da o ketre ma so se yellow
enti ameka soft drinks maka tomato paste nyina sugar ntia
okay
white sugar ntia because sugar odi ni bebre a e weak immune system no
a suppress immune system di ni kakra bi no
sugar pese odi ana de ye da odi be replace sugar e ye wo pe ana brown sugar
okay
ano pe ana betim de replace sugar but white sugar ankasa de enche dam boy immune system no I suppress no
okay ti ye hwede be ma na weak na de anso de be ye be ma no
aboosting yes ne ma be de aboosting immune system no bebre e ye nuane die e bi ti say one obi a odi fruits bebre
yes obe no ta carbonated drinks na de odi di fruit a
and amazingly no on say sa fruit na wo krom ni nyina no aya na ya fruit drink kama na de fruit atoto ho ne ade no abe obe surprised say ye hwem ni ye hwe ingredient na fruit ba akokra ni mu
nema no makeka bo mu sa na ice fruit
drink hwe ho a mostly de ya na ewom fruit drinks ni bebre na eye aqua that is nsuo yɛbɛba bɛhu sucrose, that is sugar. Yɛbɛba bɛhu what do you call it? Color. You see, now for the carbonated any.
Yes, a glucose in one do to one. Yet the
it is a titty jolly juice was a day.
Ah, near Hono, and yes, cocono. First, near the choir,
yeah, titty jolly juice, the same thing. Nti wo hwe ho a wo fruit ankasa bia wo nti fruit ne say anka na da ho a na the fruit ni flavor asom aka ho nti wo hwe ho a be hu say fruit flavor no ewo but fruit na ankasa de ebi ni nti say wo a wo tia na wo hwe wo pe fruit drink anomo a wan kasa pe fruit blend na ye ne smoothie na wan kasa no wa de eno ene fruit drink
okay
nti say idea wo de doctor drink bi no me ne say wo pe fruit drink dia and yeah, wow, be blend the word. No one because oko China hono me say yeah. If ye say Ghana how buy say wons you know, or mom tie several drinks. And drinks you know, or ma blend the fruit ni bebre. To mo bu ni say pipe no then they serve you the drink. Eh natural. Preservative be enim. Additives be enim. Sugar bebre be enim. E pa jo say. And no na ye fruit drink.
Sugar no wom that say pineapple say.
And no na ye fruit drink. And now, how are you boosting immune system? No, it be a fruit. I be din bebre. Another nchen be a vegetables. Another nchen obi a otai exercise. And also so boosting immune system no every bia. And yaka so obi odwen adwenbone e weaken immune system no. The odwen papa na neneje no sere bebre. And so boosting immune system no. And the omo etai persevere bebre no. Omo look younger bia.
Okay. So man ya ma show so nti betre bia obutimi fu na ase waye mudi bi na ase wodampa so ase wa wo mpese obehu obi a ase wo ya yare bi
obefoma yare kra
okay
because that time no weak immune system no weak immune system no enuane ahodo be brain na ho and one ade bia otumi ye na no pa a boost your immune system no for the whole day and ese obefa warm water now the lemon kakra gum na wafa na no pa on an empty stomach
lemon
and
I say few doctors so sure na need ya anything acid and say ko we
say lemon any acid bebre to say lime
lemon ne de he na lime ne
lemon ne ya kutuo kese no apopo no
exactly
but lime no ne acidic content ne very high and the empo with lemon ne warm water no obi o ulcer ontumi mfa bi because ebe irritate ulcer no and obi o ulcer ontimi fa no be obetimi afa warm water no nko
okay
but wa woni ulcer de obetimi afa warm water no now the lemon kakra asum a boost immune system no for the whole day a cleanse your kidneys your liver or digestive tract a easy constipation ontimi we ya ontimi nkotim
okay
wa bra ofasa full glass of warm water ne lemon and pano
okay
untumi enya sa constipation no e boost immune system and the say we ahodo bebre
yan fan say ja futu o manfo bebu a wanti ebu won so a wante ne ntem ama se wanya attack e won immune system so e ba sa na mo be na wo futu
de obeya ne so obeba ya sabia na obeba Star Health Clinic na yenya daje ne ya cheche mu how a ubedidi na sa oyare how a said ye oyo nyoma bi o sesa no na ntimi abeboa na yen problem ne say yen time per check up ye nti yare ne ba ye hu je say yare na ba ansa
se kan to for months
kan to ansa so ya de say nka ye visit hospital ne ade na ka ya tai check ups ye ma osa afutuo we na ofa a chance ya ma uska because e be din so be yare because o kuta immune system ni ya yare bie ni ho yare bie ni ho empo womo a treat yare we hypertension and diabetes for many years no the entire enko say still immune system no very down this what treating is ha na enko a they say way a e betimi aboa wa be boost immune system no a BP no betimi akọ na ensan
kan be boost anti say nipa saa no ye ne dey and be yi na say still ni da so
ye wokwanya be fa
oba na mo boost immune system na enuro ne betimi aye adwuma ma
enuro ne betimi aye adwuma ye because obi wo ho a obeba no na esan nnuani bi a wodi no bi a wonom ne how a osi eye nipadua ne ntino ado bi obanom kra enye adwuma And your honor say one minro why treatment bebre na enkwa yare na wo yare no adura obi anu ma no hoto no de ono ma enye adwuma oba ye some ade bi e be kire wa abaye ofie
okay
enuane na ode beye oye wi a flash system ni nyina out toxins ni nyima fie oni pedua no nyina obe flash ni nyina out within 3 days e hono say adura na ono ma enye adwuma no after that our flash toxins ni nyina no ono ma be ye adwuma
na say no Star Health Clinic no dey more specialty
Star Health Clinic eno ye hintasem ye nka wa hada ye nka wa hada
eno ye more special
yes special immune system no eno eni kuta ni pedua bia and ye hwene ma boosting no your vitamins bia immune system ni hia and enye immune system no nko ni pedua no your vitamins bia enuanu no kitinkiti bia bribia ohia oyusu no every day but ebi wo ho produce ma ne ho pedua na nkasa e produce ma ne ho ebi wo ho nso ni pedua ni ntimi produce ma ne ho da ji so de bia ko ni pedua ni mu
nti yɛnhwɛ Star Health Clinic ehe na mehwehwɛ mu a mehu
obenya Star Health Clinic a branches no ebi wo Kasoa
okay
Akwele Otacity ho a ebi nso so wo Sunyane Fiapre bibia na GN Bank e wo na dan ko na mu Doma hinkunsi o Doma SS low cost area ho a even Gift FM obenya ye wo Jamai South so Japekrum fitemu ho a number na ye ba akopɛ nti wobɛtwro na wo fry be director akɔ branch ben wo na watimi aba na wabaje oyarehwe number na ye 0249 200 555 0249 200 555 very simple number nti asema na manugu so ameka no saa enuanunu ana vitamins na nipadua ni hia no ebi ho a otimi produce ma no ebi nso ontimi kra a ohia na every day and dey wan fa nko nipadua no ma wo ha nipadua no ba ko vitamin C
ohia no every day
nipadua ni hia no every
day na nipa me na mwe de bia we say me make sure say vitamin C be come nipadua mu
every blessed day nti say we vitamin C ko form na nipadua ni nya bi nyusu a ho na ota nya sore throat
enti na hwene mu start say so nsuo pe okuru pharmacy na ama vitamin
exactly
okay
vitamin C ni boost immune system no and vitamin C no the all pharmacy no si ya tota
fro ho ta fre no
se wodi anka vitamin C dodo ewu mu no wodi anka biedu ada miensa ahoni ewu mu na se vitamin C dodo ewu mu no e do so say wanom tablet no blister na kese nyina
kese na e wo so 10 o se nyina na so ba kwata fre no de kade bia hwe so obemi anka gwa ko
egwu na di anka
okay
go se wodi anka no a vitamin C bebre enanya nkwa
blood type bi won so em banka ana bibia se ni ho
sa topic ni e be share that treaty
apebre ni
blood type na yes blood type we peduane we peduane we no sa concept no sa Peter J Dadamu sa research and the buyer no World Health Organization
anjiantum okay
and because when you proof be am fam back sa theory no nti see as blood group we ni aduane we ni we no obi o ya research bia nyusu sa de no fa
nyɛ bi de free say mate say o positive ye mpanka no nti ama me ha me hu ni
nti first na na odi
pa me kura me say anka na mdi ye
nti first na odi anka na unim no o ya we ya na
ma adwena nkoso
good sa theory no World Health Organization anjiantum
okay
nti Peter J Dadamu wanya proof
yes what say pebre na yes that blood group bia ni de wosi odi ni de ni so odi no se bibi wo ho saa de a
eno no wanjiantum World Health Organization na ohwe apomedi nyina wo wiase nyina so
omo na kire se we ye
nye na Peter J Dadamu ko yes our research de ba say watena se hu se blood group A B positive ni O no ebi wo ho anuane bi obdi a mwa wo mo ne ade and wanya proof bia inti World Health Organization so anje antum
wanya bibia ni adanse yesa ampa de wo kanie no
because blood group bi be che so betimi edi nam but we di nam no wetimi abenya hypertension so how then is it effective
emom
e ba what I say
emom wakasem enti now say Star Health Clinic ehin biem ni bi humu
branches no wo Kasoa Akwele Otacity ho a Sunyane Fiapre bibia na GN Bank wana Doma Hinko SS low cost area ho a even Gift FM na Jamai South yo Japekrum
fitemu
ho a
na number
no 0249 200-555.
Dr. Yedasi. Nese ebusia Dr. Isaac from Pond. Wo free a Star Health Clinic and then natural common numbers no and a good screen no so no 0249-200-555. Now say bekono promotion be anywhere.
Promotion that so koso. Eguso koso. Nti no sa bre nyina no still checkups no your ma discount ho so be ba checkup and still you go so trust scan for free
no. Okay.
Nti se onim se de wapomden tie o se onim se oba onim se o sabuo ne se na sitie wa wode no se de mutie se de da ho ne ade nyina no we trust scan be for free.
Okay.
Na timi hunu se de wa wode no emu sitie na hunu de ekoso ankasa e woni pedua no na se yawe bi ba ohunu ntem ene no achi ye ya hwehwemu ni nyina wie ni ebehu yawe no a treatment no se yesan cha 30%. Ye fiti cha ye a check akra from November. Enti no unya maya bra
na se wo wie na wo ka nyina kora ye bia 100 cedis a wo betua
70 cedis
wo ka 6000 a 700 okay
ne a cha 300 now so what
and they say more de
and you know and the whole around ha nyina aga na nyina no ope bebi a wo betreat a wode mu yare pa a Star Health Clinic awode mu yare ankasa
yade bia ba awode nim
ho na ye expert wo nti awode mu yare bia de ho na ade beba
ne se mo hwe awo nso
ye hwe awo
ko mu ya awode mu yade no na se mo manipa no so awo ba
no onya wo hwe awo ache oba bema na awode mu yare bia na no da nchen a other conditions ni nyina ye hwe wo ne mom awode mu yare ne de ho na ye expect wo
no
because awode mu yare bia no treatment na time da so time da so say 2 weeks or 2 weeks after 2 weeks I was say nya result no
okay
na scans confirm say
yade ne free ho
and that all
na fi what it
say fibroid ovarian cyst adenomyosis so any other uterus related issue bia Star Health Clinic ye betumi aboa
yada sepa ebusia Dr. Isaac from Pond was Star Health Clinic and ye na twetwe nkomo no say awodie mu yade bia ade ye sekwa ma warning to me ma no ho no mo nso so mo 19 timu a otimi tu ase ma hoto wo branches wo de atodwa na mom numbers no 0249-200-555 0249-200-555 any numbers so fra on be direct we can be awa no ma direct to the nearest branch no akọ na omo etumi ahwe ebuso ye dan ye ho aba enkomo twetwe na bi akatwe na me sorry de na ye nua be ma ba akọ ye ne no ewo fie hase ye nua be ma pa no owo camera department na say oye technician or technical ne papa nimpon eda fom eja wo no afri mo opanyini Joseph Kwadwo Amoa aka Old Soldier ena wono mo frɛ no enti na wotweda no eya memrende ebe ya wochinechi ena 19th 20th 21st ena ye nyina eba akogya eye ye nua be ma no eye Jotex na yetumi edi ne papa na wotweda ewo ye North Kaneshi last stop anopa no nsia ekopema nwumre no nsia GPRS no eye 28 Nidakun Street na afei yakogya no na watumi ejam ne papa brepam nso ye da ne dura e ba akogya no ne ne nyina anom papa ho sikasa ye twato enti no Jotex David Amoa multimedia adwumayefo nyina free mpanimfo so ekwoka nkwada ye nyina ye ma yakọ wate nyakopon kyekere wo brepam nso no nyakopon ye adomo a eye memenda e ba begyaw na wadi papa na wotweda no stronko so kra ebusu ano chwa bani medame ho abataw efisem ye nko e me ba nko twetwe akachi no me betwa so me basisia efisem so ni me Simon akwa ba me da se ogusu e sha Adom TV bedwam na ye ni apomde ho nkomo na apomde ho nkomo aye ba bedie no wei eye nro ya mpanimfo animdefo wo mo akeka duamna dua haha dua hini ahohora chinchin asone so dia ye nro stronko a wunya bi to no be ma oni padua no yade bi abem wo no ase ebetumi etu meta no mu di nkomo eye Givers Herbal Center omra akofa Givers nro duro bi abehu bi atwo ho Givers bia no na chese ye omo ne na panyinam ne twetwe nkomo no eye Kofi Kakari Prepara onna ne wo begina mu na ye di Givers ho enkomo Kofi Martin
Josu eburu
ho ayefe
onso ho ayefe sa no
pe ma wo she Ghana we say ya
na
me hu say
that's right
when you be promoting in Ghana ya da sepa so Yendi give us honko. Na dia inde kura we.
My depebi. We are friend give us GC capsules.
Capsules.
Say that here.
Give us GC capsules.
That's right.
Na nipa
na nso yɛ ntafo wo sɛ anyway almost
kɛseɛ no sɛ no abi na da
no ɔmo mienu kobom
okay
nti me be kyerɛkyerɛm sɛ de bɛyɛ adɔfo bɛte aseɛ no mo ho duro no dwuma ayɛ die ɔhema me da se bebre ma menkyɛ adɔfo hwɛ Adom TV na no pay de tie ne sɛ dodo a ɔmo nim opani a ɔno na ɔhyɛ Give Us Service Center akyi no sɛ be sɛ Give Us the product bi ba bonten a ɔmo ɛsonson sɛ ɛnwo ne koraa the reason being say sebe oye on say obi a okwan ofa so nya na duro obi o ha o say ne na bia wawuo na be so na dae obi so na ma na abrewa bi hia no no ka chen say me na apaduro na ode ma no obi a na kwan ofa so nya na duro but Dr. Solomon Kwabia on a Dr. Penia or da Give Us Service Center ano no ono ye obi a sebe wako school suapon university akwako sua bibi fa en haban ho enti o ti ya haban bia woni ma haban we medicinal values a ewom ena wasua hunu sɛ combination sɛ wode haban we ne haban we ka bomu a yade we ena esa enti sɛ wode ɔne India ni a ɔyɛ haban nuro egina ogina brane enti ɔno na duro bia wode beba bia enti na scientific eka ye din no ho na kyɛ sɛ ɛyade afa abɛɛfo kwan so ena ɔde aduro no ba bonten na ye de aduro bi te sɛ Give Us P capsules and Give Us Co capsules baya bema bia sebe wanum bi pen me giri se me ka se wote akonwa so kra wa sorry that's right because ama mema aye mema na yenya calls bebre na nipa bebre complain se omo enam yade ahodo obi be frɛ wo no se sebe me bema no matena no ensansa agu ho ohema it will surprise you say obi tibi twa na de picture no asend ya bro obre wanum nuro ya man antibiotics ahodo but when you say antibiotics no all no bebre no e de how brew kidney no because the adeswa eso no it no afro ma ya manum nura enko oba bi be frɛ wo sebe o se me ba no ho no ensansa agu ho metin ayekro ma ya enko na de ya ne hadwen ne se dodo na so be frɛ no bebusa no na ya ma na duro bi a onom e ma no bi kra ko to the extent say ya ma na nema sebe o de hye na se ensu ogu no wa ya enko bema bi be frɛ se sebe madwo so wie no ne nsu fitaa bi a ɛyɛ sticky abɛtɛ me bema na no manum nuro ma ye bia enko ma wo pane de me bia enko eno da Dr. Solomon Kwabi tena ase no se da bi sebe nimdia me nso makwakosuan no so bi kokosua mechanic adwuma ɔyɛ ka ho adwuma me nso de mesua ɛyɛ kwan ɛfa so de enhaba ma anase ɔbaade ne masayade it is an te de a medo so ko mi nimdie num na mahwɛ kwan metimi afa so aboa saafo no eno na odosu kopie no ode adure friend Give Us GC capsules and Give Us GC mixture aba adure registered with the Food and Drugs Authority for our general well-being. It is all you be a wutie me na ensunsan so ahodo ambobo so no sebe ensansan bi agu be ma no ho odwonso ani nsu fitaa bi firi be ma no mu eba minua ba na nsan on nsu fitaa bi afrase egu sebe ya na pampan kakra wo sebe nya saa na apɛ no wano maduro wa wopane enkoi wunti na mete ha de to so bi wo bi ho a sebe oyɛ bema odwonso a obre ansa na dwonso na ba bibi nsikwa de abɛya kwansidie de ama wo ne sɛ wakwa bi onipadua no ma friend prostrate na prostrate na ya de pa o na sɛ fra sɛ ɛhono na emia droben na yɛ dwonso fam no nti afei wo tenkasa dwonso de wo beto bɛkɔ no dwonso a dwonso no mba na kyɛ sɛ yɛsɛ wo twe ade firi soro na mba na bibi ne kurim yɛza na maka no nti na kyɛ sɛ bibi na ya kwansidie ama dwonso no a nti ama enti member prostrate na emia droben no nti ɛno no de obɛyɛ ne sɛ obɛkɔ akɔtɔ Give Us GC capsules and Give Us GC mixture o ha hodo ambobo so no na sɛ o start sɛ o fa ubegya mogya namwe na wafrɛ wo de frɛ nneema bi ho a yɛbɛkyerɛkyerɛ yɛntimi nkyerɛ ni nyinaa wa fidie so it bra yɛkyerɛkyerɛ wo na wotwe ho firi saa nneema no ho no obenum Give Us GC capsules and Give Us GC mixture no be wie no obon so wade wo ho afiri o hawa wabɔ kato nuro anom a sunsan so papa bia ewum no ye de Give Us GC capsules ne Give Us GC mixture aba ama wa ye fa bom na ano nam papa na ohima wo aduye mu no anase adufra adwuma mu no ye obi bi a friend clinical analysis ye ka clinical analysis na bra wanya nuro na ye combination ne bibia wie no afi ye sohwe efa stages ahodom enti ye de no wa bra ye de Food and Drugs Authority ko register wie no na ye do stage ba kwa friend say ye try ahwe na ye so aduro na hwe enti nipa bebree best 15 near gather om though a nipa bebree na friend but you gather 15 say the sampling na ya hwɛ sɛ de ebesia on say science is all about data.
Yes.
Eti nipa 15 na from no na ebi ye ma dodo na ye ma asabe ensuo bi egu omo. Na oba bi ensuo gu no na sabe e ma ne ba no mu ebie. Na nokure nie emema no bi nso frɛ yan no nso nsansan meka so obi twa na de photo send bre me. E na de toso bi mema na omo so omo dwonso a na ensu fita bete omo be ma no. Be ma bi frɛ oso no ne de ne be ma no fon na efon. Eti ama e change color e ye tuntum. Na kyerɛ sɛ watena infection ho akyɛ edidi ne mu akyɛ. Safo ni gada mako 15. And yet give us GC capsules. And give us GC mission be my own free of charge. Na minyaya nka memo ready adanse a apia free mu abane dodo no omu nyinada obi ade ekọ. De na ne de ensansan bo nso na afro aka kyerɛ sɛ mahu sensansan na ekọ but eye tuntum na kyerɛ ehye no no. Ni nyina ekọ. E kyerɛ how powerful give us GC capsules na give us GC mission no eye. Enti yesrɛ mo. Se wutie me na how hodo ambobo so no bi. One munura enkwa ma waba mumu sebe mpani se emodern mo ebumusu abaso but modern ma wonsanka give us GC capsules and give us GC mesha ebitu ase I'll show you na yentro challenge bi se wonya sa hawa hodo ambobo so ne bi na akoto give us GC capsules and give us GC mesha enom na ankwa ba bia akoto aduro no fatoa no ene box no ko usika challenge yentro no onom na ankwa fa kona usika. Say see ni ahode am pemchele ye gye aduro ni di ene ni madanse ye pi firi mu ba eti ne throw that challenge say wonom na ankwa bottle man tontwene fakọ okọ akọju sika
no kwa de be man
ye de be man ya mfa ma wa me de number betu dwa na say ye number o screen so frɛ yen ni ehwe kwan be fa so e be de koduma me da se bebre ohima on sa semba akọ mfa nipa nante uti wi nso na ready akiri we give us herbal mixture ohima on say Soko United Nations say 195 countries. Now WHO and as a World Health Organization, I mean I say 87 countries within the UN and our koswa ubetimi nya malaria ni bintem. Ghana ka ho. Me say Ghana ka ho. De tini enam efina den tontom ba na Ghana so unim say wa haka kramen ko kan kese. Eti de tia ne say entontom no ye entontom ba na efe na female anopheles mosquito no. Na ono no kawa na wo pumu awa bi egu mogya no from plasmodium parasites na emo no multiply e wo mogya no it won say afi something bi afrase dead nsunsan so bi dead ni nsunsan so ha behu bi ne say obon so wonu mu ato untimi ni di eni nipa bi a untimi ni di a wa hoden kofam to obon so why weak de to so bi ewu no obon say na wa frase ebo wa nkakra e betima dry cough ne betima wet cough afi beduru brebi no obon say sabe mpraduasa wo ya dwuma kakra bi a na wa bre anyumre duru bia na awo atiegu so kire wo se onya malaria it is a banasa na hu sansu so no a aduru a me introduce de ama give us herbal mixture on say aduru ntontom da ho enti na che se artist impression na kire wo se yade a ntontom de ba na give us herbal mixture no etu ase e de ma wo ma men kan se wo pe yenura pharmacy shop herbal shop and drug store and licensed chemical shop bia be ram no yade a onsa be kan bia de pa ne ton no enti shop bia be bo ram bia no yade a give us products no onsa e be kan bia na eno achi no ohima obi wo ha wo hwe o amanone o se we di aduru de minya bia nka mepe mesre wa ye won hyehyɛ ofre number me de yade agu screen so na yade a ye be post wo de abra 3 working days onsa be kan
obi wo no ma bia wo ani hu haunti bo number no na won fa na so nti
me pa cho ye number sa bit me afre en wo so no 0543 222 470 bisi so bio 0543 222 470 and your Vodafone line also is 0501 55 6828 0501 55 6828 na yesremo a enkomo ame ne wadie no se me bono tofa yi mu atepo ya ye de give us GC capsules and give us GC mixture ba ye fabom a fighting infection first class and ye de give us a mixture so ba atidi ya de malaria etu ase e ma ye hotoye oba de insha se utie yen
me da sepa na se abusua opanyine kofi kakari prepare and am na cheche nkomo no and wakasa e ma give us a scientific herbal center omunro power de abedwa so no e ho de bo ene odi ama wo no anoche wa base twen no me basia Amacho aba mesan emu akwa babiem yegusiwa pomode ho nkomo na yedi back to back na enkomo a yedi no meni adom achade mpanimfo na ahia sabe kan wo hu grace gift oba na wodi abibiduro ko next level no hono abese enka na ya abibiduro na 3 1 second ko na hwese de doctor obo ne makeup kakra ahye ne rig papa bi na wahye na tade papa bi atimu se is a bidro no e next level empanifo a free grace gift a herbal na me no mo twetwe nkomo kwa me ahene Dr. Gabriel Asamoah atenase empanifo na mama kwa aba mpombo kodi
onyankopon adaroma
e da mwasini adwuma pa amobo na mama pomode ho nsem ahia mo na mafa ato mo so na mutu yefo infrastructure free Dr. Gabriel ho
right
doc asoye bokodi
nyankopon adom na wo so
nyankopon gusu shiraye pa ene ede na mudi jaye yesi afufuru mu
yes ne edija mu nyina ne se obi ahwe ne ho so yi
necessary here
yes because afufuru ne ayede yewremu no se afi etwa mu no yehia akwanhia bebre especially in terms of the ill health condition and na afi we yewremu no e betra se bisa ye ho se de ade ne yenya e be escape this kind of ill health conditions because bebre na wu ya de kitwe bi na sese omo hunti omo de wi this year sa ya de no egusu ho empe ba bi mfae etu di ho agora won so benya that's one thing ana biem yehunu se Christmas ye ya fa na nigedie instead say was ye consider ne say a dank was ye contemplate about God and righteousness and more so restoration ye de ya nigedie enti de ogi na ni edidi traso a se bi wonya ya de bi no wonya she ne system no
the onom so trash
no ene niam bi enka nsa se ecosystem no mu no wanom but one trans em bisa no say niam na me no ye no be benefit me in the next year na
eni je na ne hia no
that is where a grace gift ba be trans na ye pese ye boa system na kakra because ye nim say yare doso sister me pese me ka leaves bi ho asem organa
ahaban
ba ko e ye popo leaves
bo fra han ya
na han e na ba ko so ye scent leaf I friend nunum otwim
nunum ya yam de say
that is it science me friend osimum gratissimum didi no
ti eno ni nunum no
eni nunum no
yesisi ye fichire ya eso aba bi aprugu
yes
ye de Saudi
so okay nunum na e was scent nice aroma na etu ba ko lemon scent and ba ko so ye minty scent
and akabom
mint bia to say hacks.
Yes, I'm not sure.
If you shoot some minty leaves into the atmosphere, now, conducive for our breath. But a koyemua, a certain cleansing lungs, no? It affects the infections within the lungs.
Bajamba. Nurse, apart from saying no numerous son, you will be full Friday.
You will be full Friday, sister. Say akola choku, anampo openi. Now, how many to me due to say be a fan say phlegmy substances and as inflammatory condition be NSC. It who may need to be from the lungs are so what are no say they likely say be clean off I'm telling you the fact.
Oh, me the man see this.
Yes, because it could grow both internal and external. Very good.
If home doctors never hear this.
Sister, my person may go to certain evidence be from one writer or being power your bar. Your friend Charlotte Piho. As some kafa pawpaw leaves on. Was see pawpaw leaves, multi-purpose fruit that bounce in nature's goodness is widely considered an exemplar of life. Ye padi e buang kwa pawpaw leaves e speaking of which, not just this soft, musky fruit has tremendous health benefit. Its leaves too are known for their highly potent medicinal properties.
Yes, sir. Na haban
so. And what I can say, just as the yellowish orange fleshy fruit is rich in vitamins, the green pawpaw leaf is a repository of vitamin A, C, E, K, and B.
Na se bofra ha na nya de awo no nkwampo na ye
Debbie.
De aye green.
De green nkasa no e no kire say equal vitamin A.
Vitamins we nyina wo.
Very good. Ye nyina nim say lack of vitamin A no e affect your vision. Bebre na say glass organa. But they don't know say vitamin A in abundance no. E wo
bofra ha ban mu.
And also vitamin C na you here to boost immune system no. Popo na nkasa kura. Vitamin B, vitamin E nkasa for the skin. And also popo no kura. Vitamin K for the clotting of the blood, because vitamin K will system numnata and the prevent say mujani nyum na ungu. Vitamin K no was a pawpaw no in abundance. And a vitamin B, Tio, was along with minerals like calcium, magnesium, iron, sodium, besides enzymes such as papain, chemopapain, and alkaline compound like capain. Sa ni amayo boy obi be bisasa dia de na ye. Papain, chemopapain, and then capain, they are proteolytic enzymes, which means that they are enzymes formulated from proteins. And the kura, juma edino, sa enzymes here juma in the digestive system. Obi and the digestive system near weak, like this also did there. Every your friend say indigestion biano, a creative acid, and that is the generation of multiple your friend say ulcers organa.
Next meeting ya, so be a bad grace gifter. Mo de sa for fra han nyina bi ye nro
hwa. Ye de ye nro. And the biom say necessary say us ye prescribe man no ye ni juice no mo so aye kire.
Na mo ben fa wa wo pe nko bubu.
Debi.
And dey hu ne ti hu ne.
Yes.
This was bad grace gift.
Bad grace gift. Ni a kire ne say bia see. That's one thing.
Wow.
Sister, share me some another evidence bi. E wo nunumu. Ti asemi a okan. Nunumo. We have evidence from African Food Network.
Yes.
African Food Network. Or see, it reduces nicotine.
Nicotine.
They are the nicotine. Nicotine is a harmful chemical. It was smoke, cigarette, weed. As a one more, and we are addicted to that thing. Now to me, and also weed and a cigarette. You know, smoke and toxins be and affect your lungs and our liver. It said nicotine. A woman might be addicted. I want me to lungs and say, I want me. And what I say, Nunum has the potency of reducing nicotine. The amount we are addicted to the smoking, or say reduce, it is say reduce the need for smoking. Tia, or say scent leaves help eliminate and repair the damage caused by smoking. Damage are caused by smoking, scent leaf no equal potencies are it may eliminate and repair our damages. No,
say obia no mama bro, so ma when damage on the lungs,
yes. Yes.
Which me the say nunum yi.
Yes, and also smokers must consume scent leaves. Other scent leaf benefits can also reduce stress.
Debi nya botre mame. Wo kire mo ha na se be se mame nko nom na meme be nom scent leaf. Obi desia to muntentan.
Yes.
Opese wo jai.
Yes.
So what the sa ne desia ne ba mo ho a.
Very good.
Mo nam nunum yi aso.
E de yes adwuma.
Be ye nro ama wetime jai cigarette no be jai sa nwusi adwuma ni na.
The entire me go to side evidence we from this known writer and say me mpese grace give back kasa because ya kasa but it was facilitators be bam no mo so air den e di adanse de kasa niam aye ka no no kre enti na ma me go to know ti asem bia oka amazing yet esaya or say other scent leaf benefit can also reduce stress, prevent diabetes and kidney stone disease.
Nessa would the oba ho na mama na no bi kura na sa kidney stone no ma nyina enru sa level no akoye ho surgery.
Asema enkrofo yikani
Kwa me ahen yanhwe he ne ehwe bo ebehu mo ne numbers.
Yo ye wo ye achimota ye bia yemienu ena wo Ghana ha. Ye wo enkran ha achimota New Petroleum.
Yes.
Ye ne ye family life school ne din hwe ne mu. Enya yira kwan kra amanfo sign frɛ ho ni boy.
Ni boy
okay. Ena Kumasi nso ye wo Hwim school junction Barakese kwan.
Barakese kwan.
Ho ne ye branches ne ye 2 pair. 2. Numbers no doctor de betudwa na memfa kakra bi nka on say ye da ubo aye bo nyina ye twe amanfo adwen si bi so say it wasn't coincidental enye bibi kwa na ye nananom obu afa ni mfikira na odua bonto ye na ye frɛ no tobacco no
yes
obi a wasan dua no num so do you know what they were doing yes at a point say bonto no edizi emomo ye hyper it is just like you consuming raw tobacco enti wo ye no wia na afi wodi no num no enso a cleanse the system of the toxins free tobacco no ba Sane man no mu ye nyina no na di so aso papa ba ma doctor mfa ene doctor kan nyina man the number no atwa
yes your number no ye obia miinu Kumasi Ohwim school junction and then oba Accra here ye won New Achimota Petroleum Bangalo that is where we are opposite Family Life International School your numbers no 0543 32 00 30 0543 32 00 30 and 0246 518 003 0246 518 003 and our screen na since wa
numbers na ne go ho no me da se pa me da se abusuan panifo no twetwe nkomo omofre ye Grace Gift kwa me ahene ba bi na afi Dr. Gabriel Asamoah so ewo ehonom meda mo nyina mo ase se mo beka mo na afi mo nso mo je bre na mutimi ehwe me na abusia me da me ho abatew me ba ankobo twetwe no aka ba ko wachiri ansa na benze mu atwaso me basisia oh adwumo edese nwumo abawo me etwagu a no hu ne se minister oji nyomo no nyansa wo abawo mu na na me digital tata no na yesa ba bedi nkomo ye ba bedi bibinti be ye brofo kasem na sede menti asete no na madane no e de aba ya ankase Ghana kasem na afi wonso watumi ate ho ase na we no abefo ntenten fidie hu nkomo na ye ba bedie in fact be edru no ye say digital world enti ama hodo nyina e ko digital Ghana so ye ka digitization ye de ya nti beba na afi ya ba bedi ho enkomo tew nti esabram no ka se de na se Dr. Favor Sunano watna se ai be kono na afi ya kwa kodi nkomo na ye say digital farming eno me ye nsei metifie na masoma na omo de se kan do akire madwen se de won so akire wadwen no ye ni nkomo Dr. Favor welcome.
Thank you.
What at all is digital farming?
All right, digital farming is a brand new world. You probably must have opened your Facebook or WhatsApp. When you open the app on your phone, what you see immediately is Meta.
Meta, yes.
You've seen it, right?
Yes, with some...
now, that's yes. It, like infinity sign.
Yes.
Now, that Meta stands for Metaverse.
Okay.
Metaverse, like V-E-R-S-E. It's a whole new creation. It actually represents virtual reality.
Okay.
So somehow you can call it Earth 2. So it's like a digital copy of the current Earth. So you have a digital copy right now in that world. So your personality in that world needs to wear clothes. So there are shops in there. You know, in those days we used to play computer games, but now we can enter into the computer and interact with the characters of the computer, with the game. Maybe you are watching, I don't know, popular cartoons like Tom and Jerry. You can actually enter into the television now, into the digital part, and be relating with Tom and Jerry. Can you imagine that? You know, so that is the new reality. It's called Metaverse. And in that world, people are buying plots of land now. It's cheap right now. In the future, it's going to be expensive. As the metaverse grows, so at the point will come when there will be no difference between the virtual reality and this reality. It's a whole new...
And they are buying plots of land.
Land digitally. It's incredible. And where we come in, I've been with a German company for the last 7 years. And they have been able to secure a massive space in that digital world where we do digital farming. People living there now. It doesn't. I don't know if you watch, if you've seen the Oculus. This Oculus, where if you go to maybe some games place, they put something on, you wear it on the eye.
Yes.
That's a mini part of virtual reality. I don't know if you put it on.
You know, you'll be fighting.
Correct.
You'll be fighting.
That is virtual reality. Now you can actually almost live in that world. So,
I'll be with you in a minute.
Thank you.
And come on, I brought for some. Me buy a can casebu na akoye wasi ene no abe fonten fidie no kwa na ekọ animu obehwa na ubi Facebook ubi Instagram ne ade abon se na ya tro meta bi ato hansa na bi eno no eye ekuro foforo. It's a whole community.
That's right.
Na sa ekuro no eye ewo ye imagination mu na ebom wu nipa wote achelu you can live ubetima tena sa akuro nim eni tro mahu ni se me anochi wa ba metiwe uko Facebook a meda ho etimi owo bi nti mesha tade nti obi so abetena Facebook ma wo ton atade me ba sa akuro nim nti no mehu ni se me pa atare a fa to a ebi a mekọ Mama G Empire na mekọ Ladies In collection because Ladies In so we be a store e wo sa akuro no so ho na metie no nti afi wo se enne no kra no asase abeda ho manfo ton sase e wo de ye kan na asase no ye bedo ne sei yenko and so with these plots of land people are buying, what are they doing with them?
Well, you can build houses digitally.
Hey.
Yes, of course, and you can. For us, I'm more interested in the farming.
A full year like farm.
Like farm.
Okay.
Now, but it's not a physical farm now, and there are digital markets where I can buy digital seeds and plant those digital seeds in my digital farm. And the good thing about it, I won't worry about rodents, I won't worry about pests, I won't worry about all those stuff we already hear. Now, every 30 days, I can get and harvest from my farm.
How?
Digitally. I mean, if you plant stuff on your soil, you have like some, depending on the kind of crop, you have some, you can harvest it in 6 months, in 1 year, it depends. But in this particular farm we are working with, it's every 30 days. It germinates and harvests for you. And the good thing is that those harvests, you can actually sell them digitally and retrieve the money back as CD or dollars, as the case may be.
But physically. You can feel the money physically.
Physically, yes, of course you can.
I know there is an event coming up. Can you please brief us on that?
All right. So today, tomorrow, and Saturday, we're having a workshop where we train you how to turn your smartphone into a digital farm. That's a farm. That's right. Correct.
Okay.
So you can turn your smartphone into a digital farm and participate in this new era of income generation. So now all you need to do is get the farming license. The company from Germany, you get the farming license from them. Then you can now you go to the digital market in that metaverse, buy the seeds, plant those seeds in your farm. Then every 30 days, it gives you an harvest. Okay. Now, this is the farming license is a 12-month contract. So after 12 months, if you like to renew you can do that. Okay. So every month, people are using this platform to over 100,000 people in Africa as we speak, to get a lot of passive income right now.
Are there any testimonies?
There are a lot of testimonies, of course. Now, I was talking about you're talking about the training today. The training is going to happen at MJ Grand Hotel.
MJ Grand, East Legon.
East Legon. Okay. And it's going to be for 1 p.m. today and 2:30 p.m. You can choose any session to attend. Then tomorrow, 1 p.m. the same time, 1 p.m. and 2:30. On Saturday, the same time. You can choose any day. You don't need to attend the 3 days. You can choose any day. It's a physical training.
Okay.
And for you to participate, you need to send an SMS to this number 055 049 0504. Send your name, your email, your location to the number 055 049 0504. We're going to show you practically how to turn a smartphone in your hand into a farm. The world has changed and it's changing very quickly. Okay. And all we need to do is to learn new things. And this training is absolutely free. The company is absolutely free.
Oh, no.
Come and learn.
No. Take your time.
Yes, right.
Is the training free?
It's totally free.
All I need to do is to be there by 1 p.m. today.
Or 2 p.m. 2:30 p.m.
Or 2:30 today, or tomorrow,
or Saturday. That's right.
For the free training.
Free training.
Go back to me how I'll use this phone to cash out every month.
Now, you see, many people use their phone for selfie. And all kind of stuff. I mean, that's not the real purpose. If your phone is not making money for you, it's not a phone, it's a stone.
So at least you should even be taking care of your data manly.
I mean, this is beyond data.
Rather investing.
Now, you talked about testimonies. In November, we did this training in September. And in November, I had a training in Nairobi. So we were there doing the training when somebody called me that I'm interested. I was in your training. And he got started. He filled his farm with about the equivalent of the CD bought was like 5,000 CD. And when we did the training again in November in Accra here, he came for the training and he said his farm has just yielded. Let's sell his crop, and we did that. And he made around about 3,000 plus Ghana cedi, month one, and he still have 11 months to go. So it's incredible. It's a new world.
The number again.
The number for you to send your name, your email address, and your location to is 055 049 0504. The number you send your name, your email, and your location to is 055 049 0504. That's
Thank
right.
you so much for your
Thank
time.
you so much for having me.
Ebusiane se nkomo edi nyina wo se enne ebo 1 and say 2:30 a hia no East Legon MJ Grand ochina wo beye na afi memenda nso wo no beye ni nyina ye kwa befa so akire ofun ye kita we wo de beye fuo na wato no baye disika kakra to no baye bosumi bia no wo beton sa no baye no digitally na wanya usika nti numbers na egu screen so no frɛ na ne ninkita na sɛ send the wodin any location na be kyerɛ sɛ wa register na ne 1 obeba ana sɛ 2:30 obeba because omo fa eye ma omo fa obi abiem Dr. Favor Suna no nam ne no etwetwe nkomo ne be da sɛ pass wa ka me ho na me sorry dia na kyerɛ sɛ ma hene kwabena sante betina se na mpense mu no atwa so wo hia me a ɛyɛ afrɛ me anɔkye wa ba ajwa sɛ wa me mo achi.
Well, never so that not chiwa basis on so this and come say Eddie Abre, Brasso say to and common so one pense muju be the Edika bon de rakacho say and they akakuma bi or Ghana or Masum Ghana. I think for over 40 years. It's se onya sa ni peku no unkomo bomo na eche say enema bia say bia achia na tosin titu standards abribia de kan wasema e follow plus adam komo enhunya menomienu nyina no. San common DBD. And ebe one in the series are all baby ba church and you be brave. Meka oba tampa why business paying. Na why a man your same pay. Ne onyame adwuma na wa fa to no so say. Ye can if you actually work clearly. Bones ye mu bia bon kokora. Ye nyina yan kambum na yan fa ni gie ye ma me Joyce Rosalind ai ye ma na kwaba ne ma na fishia pa so. Afjapa
Omahere. Akomya die ne friend say.
Oh, see ya.
But as na sa business de menye bija. Na me ko ye adwuma wo chamber no na che say my ko ye business leader.
Okay. It's your friend say business na head business there.
Yeah, na wo ye business leader.
Okay.
Me de bomb me ho safo hene so business it is menye bida.
Good. But jinsi bibia kama.
Bibia ka.
Nana metie wo so fu so say iye ni adoye. Etu ye pono watamfo. Etu ye pono watamfo ani.
Ededodo. Sa wo no e bo sha no dos wo.
Ese bebre wo.
Bebre.
Well, the best year the best chance here probably for the next 6 minutes be here. Enyoma bia yes say be ye kura ni free sa no ye be hunu free mo ho. I cannot standards.
Yeah.
I yes say ene yaji bibia tum say saa na tie ti say ade no hwehwansi form kra na de beto ye hwehan saa na ejigu saa ade na asi de na ekoso nti ama ase bibia no yetu na jeje mu a ayam hihye bia ni ho
wudi bisa mine wudi bisa saa dentra ne di kan no say awofo ye refi se emma no a ye wono eye nyame achede a wo mo ye nyame dia odi ahye ye nsa se ye nhwe so ma no em se adaje a ye ditete emma no ye mu pi sa adaje na ya aboyen ni hia ne se wo mo didie bebi on beda on be kosko no hu hia ye nchen wo mu su ni wo mo ban ene wo makoma pa ese wo mu nya se enkrofo mbeye amayema inti no amasa standards no kofom na eno no na ese yesa ye ka ho asam na chese ye nyina ye hunu se it seem to be about say dane no eno nti no em se ebia meni wo mba sei no ese se ye sheda ka kire wo se wonim ese se unya adaje ma wo mba sani etie bia wodi ekona ko bre ko yesi nyade nanso anye ye kura no don hwere ba ko debe biara unyama wo ma eye isanse enkwade ho ana omo hwe no sa wo wa nkyere wo mo a ombeka ko suan wa abonten na abonten sofo so edan na bia omo de be kyere wo mo nti ya asem bia ese ye ka nti awofo edikan nam se osom enso yenso ye wa asede ejina pulpit no mu a rade ma ye kwan e ma ye kasa asabi obia mebisa ya asem disenka ye ka ensem pa no a esakra nipa na eno so beboa na minim se nyame asem so de esakra nipa isan se tumi wom nti se bia ye jai se ye be kan sempa na de comedies bibiri fa ho no eno so beboa sorry piye ebinim so nye nti em se ye yan ebia ye nye no erade moa yen na yen so ayeye no yentim de ba kwa Yesu kan ya mede o so oba se oba behwehwe na waje wo mo ayira onumpo ne bre no ti na che se oyira no etumi ba na esese ye pene manyame ehwehwe ye no hu yen se odwan ya wayira ya ko hwehwe no na ede ne se na ni wura no de na bone kon ho no ama odwan no koma ato ne yam nti se ye yasa ama ye mba ne ade a omaya yetimu na beye
well mamenka asafe no bekamo ye mama Joyce aye ne twetwe eye nkomo ya ka so ya semidie na nkam se ye de koteto adiga na nkomo ansa na yaba ya ka ko pem ho asama ka waka so ya semidie I think one of the things that back up from last year man payinye ni swadi hunu se national cathedral na mumu bi su a be koso aka se yigidie omumu esan bra ma bo ni su amada na di ye ni munyama nyame di adom no mako kasa abotai we hono ense bebre na bebre eno de bebre enye nwanwa esan se se ye na se ye ya ati amanyame a esa si hunu se nyame no aka se esum wo ho na ehan so wo ho esum nim se ehan bedi no so bibia obetumi aya ehan no mba no obeye esi eti ase esum nim nti di obeye kwansidie bia se han timpi eno ano no obeye na se eti ase na se hu so se han ye oman a esum so ye oman nti akutumi ba esum ni han apre obi e pe be agina na eno ane se han ne ketua bi pue kura pa edum esum no nti apre ne de be ba na ye kan kirosem no kura pa abra nyankopon o kan se Israel man no mko nkwansum wo Persia no mo nsan kọ kosi asore dan no ya apre aprapri ba na me se dakro man no be mame don hwiri mienu me ne won kwa na mama wadi wo hene na ya kire ohene ja obisame a na wada roma na ma kire mu memo ebe free ode but de bia da no adakra me kan o video se ebe won pi se ahobrasem obi di se ma me Joyce ayeti so na titru nyoma efa sikasem ntutu ye ho
na eba nipa dodo na na bia ntiase anano kureka bi ana omunye omo ntiase a
anaso obi a washeda
so
obi a washeda
so ko fa ban sika mako obi abema mu sika mako wie sika bi matu sika jeje mu for saa nyame ana montu ni nyame dansi na yemu bi na enim onyame ni nipa oye no eya na ya dwene no ahyase yes na ye ma me dwese yemu nyina ka board yi na we nyina esi
sika di bia mae na nyame adom so nti sika di bia emma ye ya yete board no so bi eni ho po sign check yemu bia I'm the chairman but I no po say so be sign asa no assign yeah ko be assign a check say no mpo no sika kakra ye wo no nea abandi ama ye na ye ikrem kakra ye de na ye gigi no taking a time na eduru bribi kra po am say ye ma ye nebre na ka say we your the for now person boyebosia kra fabra e be chocho
moji bosiabo
ye say eji
moji sika obi di so ma se di achemo ana se bosia bon so ko bi di ba moje
obi di ba se bi na ekoba ye say na esese ye ko tua contractor for ka sika ye wo no na aka 2.6 million na aso yenim se sika na beba che ye hia nti ye mu ba akọ ana so metumi ama mwanya sa sika no na se ba na modi amame
nsi hu won ana
da bida si hu kapre kranka ho nsi hu sidi ba akọ kranka ho na August na ye hia sika no September na sika no ba ya ye de ni wura ade ma no nsi hu bie ni ho nsi hu bie ni ho nsi hu bie ni ho nwanwa na nse kura so nim say ye Bible reading marathon na Bible reading marathon no ese utia we edwuma bia so ekwan wo hwa yesi e fa details ka timi so ska sha me bag no me detail ye se bia esa wo tepo guard ese bia ekoto nsuo utumi tia ese obi a wabeto nwoma ese utia ne ka nti mi yimi sika na me detail ye na ma trotro ni nyina na wo mo bitumi asama ma wo masan na me de kọ se wo mo hwehwe mu se me ye sa de na wo mo fa me sika ma me sa no so no me nye bone.
What is the excitement about this cathedral wakoka ho opese Ghana for ni wias ni na
ni di kan ye wo a Christo denominations bebre nanso ye ni bia ba ko a se a Christopher nyina Asia ye behia ye ni bi enunti no cathedral no ebe kan abom me fan say bia na ye se ebe National Day of Prayer National Thanksgiving ye nyina ye ba say pese ya just ye conference center enu na ye neutral grounds ana ye Black Star Square neutral grounds because nwanwa the denomination bi wo ho sa denomination ye bibia onko now so say ye neutral there obeba enunti no meni so fusuan say ebusua fie obi a wo ne dan now so say ye ebusua fie ensem bi wo ho a
edi ni fie
nti sa na me de mimi hu cathedral no enkabo mu a Yesu bo ho mpaye a ebeba no ebeboaye ebe ye bia so a se bia omanhene nam krom na ne koma ye ne se o memfa baabi na me nkobọ mpaye ebe nya prayer rooms nti omanhene betumi ewura ho na akobu ntware abo ne mpaye ebia na omanhene pese oye program bi sorry program bi no frefrefre nipa bi ye was small chapel bia ebefa nipa be 350 omanhene betumi abehan ono ade ne sofo beba na wa yes our program no eno sanctuary ade no na make ana ebenya museum nkrofo dwen say museum no nneoma dada nkwa na ho but museums are very interactive say Christosum ye de ne ba Ghana na ebibi man kra ye ka Christosum ho enim ho bi ye ka ho na sha ase ye yenso ye ka ho na ni nyini no saa na aba na ye be saa nneoma no ho ebi obi pese oye scholarly work bi na nkese so otu kwan kwa abrochire na okoye center no be wo ho Bible museum be wa scholarly work bi opese oye bia obi betumi afiri abrochire me fancy black Americans eja omunya opportunity nka wo story ometumi abeka na afi so no scrolls parchments biblical examples ni nyina ebi bo ho because ebenya exhibitions so ebia Vatican betumi abraya ni o ma say fanya exhibition 3 months on sa imagine ade Ethiopian Coptic Church betumi abraya bi on sa tore bi kra ye say ark no you could see Ethiopia baby so mo bi bia on betumi on say Ethiopia so excuse me identity woman sorry be is built in rocks
sorry be
built in rocks I be you home for ni nom ne ade I bet stress na e bibi man so ye ni e Christo som etie sa ne o mani na beba museum ho na ma menka say adi krontra ase ne a cathedral no po ne bo aye de no na museum no na nka ho na so se obesi asori dan a won fa museum nka won fa restaurant nka won fa small chapels nka won na chese akoye edan bi esi wa wo mu na ye ko ho so won se busia fie so ebi nim te ho that time bia na ehuru ti sa na ye pese ye be ye no na me se be din foni ba tinka ye ka sei na da ho na nkrofo hu
nja me ka me ba se na enuanum bi nim so o mo so asem ne se wo hwe brai wo mi ahihia brese na ohwe bia saa na montu no kura ya baso a de bia da ye bo aban ti so ye bo titu na na do danko akufuado Ghana man be ye bo ni ti so nya de hia ni we ye hwehwe ni mu ye ho kire ye adwuma ni ho
enunti na se enunti na ne aban ka so be ye no ye mani nsi hwa na ne aka no ye ye say ye fa ye as trustees no saa 2 million ye de mai mon hwe na ye nsi abaya nka se me be fasika hye mo nsam o se me de meye bi ni aka no momon hwe ani yensi
ti se na mi ti ha na me se na sika so na yesi akodan mu na dan peja ni ti ba kokoro mfiri ase o ma me hu se dan bebi akodu na sa kasa no giri se mutibi
o ye ti bebre na sika so akogo so no sika akogo ho no so sika akogo ho no so but yet foundation find their toto enfidie a ye de ye adwuma ukọ site wa be enfidie a ye de cranes nyina esika kakra na aba na ye de atoto na nneoma see dan ya contractors no betinam consultant ni nyina so ya ye preparation of the land ni nyina ya ye 319 something million intino ni nyina e bit
kuntabuo
wo ho pa
yebesa ba cathedral ba yenko apiate quickly
apiate yebedi afi
afi na emu
ochina ne afi ochina ene afi enya program yi kura pa nka se me wo GTV aye ka ho asem
apiate ho nsem
se ne ese ebesi edan oha ene eduonu nan ni nyina ya sha ase
ahye nyina
ye wie bia na ye nyanwie completely ebi ani wa ye wie completely
na adisua bi afiri mu aba na
adesua efiri mu aba ene se nansense esi dan a esi ehu no se enye kane dan no cement ne ade nko a na esi ede ye ne ye isi ho no na dete e wo ho no ye de cement kakra fra na ede ye bricks and blocks.
The problem is to be identifying the real inkofua.
Oh, no dear. Committee no bo home modern papa. And no ponti na se acha ye sie no. Wo mu din kita ho pa. E ma ye hu se mami akosu amansa fie ni. Papa kwadwo menu ensu fie ni. Omo bo hye. Omo ye namfo ne ade. Nti sociologically no ya ye no in such a way say sanka wo na one me eye ye bomu ye bohye woni me be bohye because e bia na me kwa afuom na mpese me ja me ba ma Nti wo ma ye ni nyina so.
What you identify as
ni nyina. Nti ye ni nyina ne akọ community no na ya ye drawing no na we oba ye nya ha na ofire ya ye ni nyina.
Uyi dan si a mu si no free mu a eno no mo de che omo ana
e de che
mo yi eno free mu a mo obibi sonku bi a mo sa de eso ma se na mo de bo
ye bompa ye se ye si wi a e bi esika na kakra beka na nwanwa mu nyina most of them ye farmers nti omu fuo di anhye na se wo mu ni baby ti ni nti na ye se fuo mu kokra ha adwene kakra but omu bibia anhye omu afu anhye nti ye bompa ye se omu nya baby tina na se ni esi aye no mpoto ye ma wo mu nkokwan ho completely ye be ye buffer road bi na ye the forest kakra bi aba nti wo pese oni wo mu kodi dwade a utumi te ne bem wehu na se bia wo kwan ho pa wo na main road a bibi besi ama aha wo mu no de ye yi sa de na free mu.
Adom TV Badwam dwumadie na yedi makacho nipa kuma bi titru ma kakra bi aka Ghana upeja wani e to mani prekope omo hwe benkum no makofе difa se de tie no bibi adasa na omo kan nyen nso ne yesisa akwantu mu ma si mache if you aduanan eni ana ne
enu sa fi menya aduason
77
yes. Much yeah
77
oh
I see and this age you fabra emaye de masitna ema activeness in partisan politics
as I see a kum esan say oman ye mema ne ma mai ye wo mema ne awo ma onyame so boye no oboye nse ne seso se ne obo mema se won seso no wo mu se yenso ye wo adwuma bi se tete ma ne ade nanso onyame pe ene se nyina ye beka ho na oman ediye oman ediye sanse enwanwa so unim center wanta ba na ekon ba ye ne ebre it is say e bom modern ne ma asomdwe ba
correct
sa ne ebe ya ntokwa mma na ya bre
je ne ye fam attitude Ghana ha no ma koso ye maybe limited for lack of a better sa anamontuo num any other heights e wa brabo
em say for a long time no na ya nkasa nso no ye mpese ye pia e ma no ma omo adisua kwa animu inya ya yes wo be ware enso e nwanwa so wo ko ware ahwe obi fie na woni mo hwe ya so wo hunu ye
dabi
ba say de kwa ya bue wo no so ko universities na utira anye ya e ma no be do so kra cha me ma no secondary schools ni ade na nkakra me feel say ye ba ye nim ye nyanru ye na nkakra na ye yesu nyese ye ne emema na esi akan ye ya bom se na nyame boy ye no se ye mbom ne ye nya ade no sa na sese ba no nti em se nkakra me bompa ye se ye be kwa ye major elections 2024 e bia e benya ma kakra
okay
akania e wo ho no ho
text messages ni bia sha se Dr. Dakwa or DC na ose ahobrasiem obeso obusaw please if the soft loan Reverend Kusi Boateng gave the board on August 27 2021 was repaid back to him on September 8 2021 less than 2 weeks then why couldn't they wait so as to have avoided all these unfortunate allegations?
Yeah, no na ye nim se obi di anu besi bone Dr. Dakwa na ye nim so obi di anu besi bone so isansa ni American ye call ye programming obi gina ho oje ne sika me wo sika wo me bag mu adan na se me ka kire ni pakro no ebi a na adwuma ketua bi a oye adan na se me ka kire ni pakro no se twen na
na o twi mi ntem o so ujiri sika ya de o tete
nti si enim so obi de adwene be si bone a na no kra no nkyere se yenye bi o because enye bone nti say yen nyina so obi a say akanfo ne eka obi a ompe wasem no
so wasakra ai doctor how ne say de bia ba mo ankasa mo so a
ehwe wa say ye hu no say ye adwuma ma nyame die de bi beba say ye ka wa kan mu say my encounter so but my man ye no kre say ye ka ina che say nipa to bi ka asem to so enso bi ana ye no kre say ye di hu ko ye say adwuma ya say ye mpese obi aka asem bia na ye mpese enye yie isan say wi ase ne nya sa na tie say kra ye nyini ya ye nan mu ye din o na ntia betumi apatre ahwefom so obi betumi aka say na de na wan hwe kwan na enso na nya sa na tie ntia no de nkrofo nya abotoye mo ye nye bone bia nya abotoye mo ma hene ye mre no ko nanso wonkomo no ya ye ode obi so twen me bebe bio
edi we dem ze we so ti ase intense see enti ogina ha nyina no ni o ma gina no so ba we se okogina eti bi disa
I ne den se egina mi so no kra enya bosia enti me ho tire
ni na mu no o betima botofa bia ma yansa ma to aso ni mahwefo ni metiefo di nkomo na wanya bra ko o hwe Ghana baby abedui ni baby ade ani kire na enda so e mai
o ni da so wo ho eni da so wo hwe ma menka wasem wo fa baby to say Germany hwe ko a wo mu ko mu I'm sure say drew 1945 na ko no wie ye no na ebinom ye wo eye ebinom say mana say ya bombo ho ne ade nyame ade a wa ye ne say wa manipa brofumu na metumi aka minim ne twi resilience
ta
ahoden sonko akukuduro afia komemu ene ehonam mu no enti wo say ase ne o mai koche wo be say nyame amanyansa adom ene suehunu ne etumi afa kwan paso obi eni ho a esese o ka say Ghana enye ne aya betu ye posi aye bi aka ho me kai mi nyini me ko school watch mota na baby a friend ujowulu na ni ho na ye wura baby a friend abelin pe na ni ho so say ye ka say ye ko exiata ye nantia na ye kodura da braka e ho na so hwe se ne anoma aye so we kura nkwa chikura me kwatena abelenpe na obia ante ho se ho ayema enti
enyoma asesa eni da so ho
hwe airport residential area hwe airport city hwe ekwan meni wu nyini kakra wu swade nanso na bibia friend asphalt kura ne ate
limited in supply pa
quota the tier na the quota leguso enei hwe ya asphalt kura me to me asphalt ni bi Ghana ha enti nyame ama nipa nyansa na nkaya den na phone kura na obubo so yi na obi o wa America odi message abre we
Dr. Dakwa kura no ni papa kire wade o isa kwa kudakwa
sawa ho
also elite is
achimota so wonti no na ukra phone ya omiamia so yi eni da so ho se nyame ye onyame tiasefo nyansabo akwa ade nyina so tumfo no yenye hunu hwe udi hwe wonananom ne ahombe hwe wonananom nya ahombe ye nyine ye maame no se enioma eden yesu abeto enioma eden yesu yekom
de bia so
yekom
ti omo so be ba
na ye chele
ti wo so to pun watamfo ni ma o chele
because atamfo no wo ho so na wo chele ede kra dodo
okay so ye de be sia
ma menwane
na all come dem wa ha Go be di juma so nkosi dia mama ajo say that's pi.
He
say brano.
Now what you be me wa.
Anu an ye wi adwuma no.
Ye wi.
Okay, so etwa ngomni ba kwa ba ye ba sa nkomo no ebetimi atoa so e wa han say haye Badwam on Adom TV multi TV. So mamemfa we entwem quickly na menka o say ye kasa akwasinsia nase prekope eda form ma menkai akwasisia me ma no shede ne yakono na me sa kai ne say esese ye nyina ebetai na chi adofo ye nyina ebetai na chi ma bibia timi kokama na afi ma sa kai say era kwabna edu ono so very sad one ne maame ana afi ni nua panyin ye kasa ide on nyina na erade atonsa from na me de chair Sejimasi Presby Primary Park. Sejimasi Presby Primary Park. Memenda the 28th of January 2023. Anopa nongotwe anebe na otwe dano ede amomo. The late Oba Penny Florence Abana Chumwa Edu 98. Neba Penny Professor Danny Kofi Edu ana yeka ona 70. Yengo kebushyan era kwabnedu dodo from Santa ona omame ni unua pen radiators are from it. Now what we done here 28th of January 2023. Sanso na akwasinsia so nase ana sister P also o papa sem ana yekan sister P also yenka se nyame ya adoma na what we ya awie na what we ya awie ewo Dansoman. Maybe the details, but you can join me in the conversation. Komo yedi wa ha ebra mai kwa mi eti medi wa ha say no. Wait me makasa on 0302 211 701 equals 4 0302 211 701 equals 4 na apiati hon komo cathedral hon komo Emma one year actively involved in our body politics. No more aspire to greater heights. And a Ghana ye dieni Ghana and Koso no. What me are joining me now? Do I drink etimi Abba 0302 211 701 equals 4 0302 211 701 equals 4. Now also etimi don't come Abama yedin the pepe edi ama. Okay, who say Badwam on Adom TV. Multi TV show ana san komoyi yede ebro enyumekuo bi so ono so aso kwanso nkoso kra yebeda St Andrews for us any admission still in progress boarding facility so ono afei wono so modern bo wasi mu so ni so ye pa wono campuses ne bi wo asen for su mankasim new adubiase sehwia sanwene so Accra Tishia 7 na make na afei shama atakrade obetima from 0244 696911 and 020 789 1004 na what mini won edi eye nkomo GR so koso ekae say effective omo hihye ede omo nim no unni bia na wo eba eto ho asem a esinto eba ana se opekwati kwan bia fa honom no wono bo kokko se bo modern na hyi nyesa eno so hunsunsanso no enya dia ebeboa wo kwan bia so emra eno bedi said sifata obi aba go mamsa good morning.
Good morning.
Yes sir.
Am I number 30 say?
Oh nyame adom bibia eboko.
Yes, your chairman me no a obetra se kasa na. That the woman say cathedral ne die. Cathedral no. Ana say ya hwese. Omo hwe no muja nwa asem ka. Da mo de to nche kra maye. Because again Ghana citizens and the yoma enyoma ekono. Say ya maye ni amre nyeja yoma bi ni asoso enyoma ese ebeboa timamufu a na ye de ni ba toto sa cathedral asore o Ghana fa dos toto eno ko ntimi ko wie ye de cathedral so abeti ama na bosu tie sra omo ba omo so omo ye mpanyifo omo fo so omo so omo ka ho bi ni ye de bedu bebi omo so ka bi na nyefe de kaka mi so betu aka me da say.
Okay, yes sir, that's CP. Hello, good morning. Apom to say.
Morning.
Yes.
Obana John Chief. Me look at your latter vehicle. Me abu muke John Palo. Ni minga this get I Kevin Way Jolali. No, you Jimmy Thomas look repair cathedral. Obaka Christian Full Five. One me fan, one mummy Christian say yo. Now make baha. Me I take the cathedral. I'm a fee. Only government tell you, Aji, Kaje, Marsh Kai. Me, I'm a member all the Christians me organ of him. For back it can be I can see every month, man. I buy churches. What I'm a contribution. Na kama cathedral be na me get to me. Should go by wa. See, me pa end this there for end this there Tony Ghana be na cathedral na ma. I can talk to Duke for awum. I me dia me keje na kanjale be china kani e one because of only the phone with mama na phone chicken ale. E ke match kama free minister na shwele no. Oh, what fight? Okay, I'm a fair and kind of Christian fair coming. I wouldn't cathedral pay back. Look on ever in your mom.
Oh, child. Mania by the Darcy also do the other camera. Oh, you may name say, oh, carrying. My memo watching. Good morning, Apom to say. Hello, good morning, Apom to say.
Yanko Pada Romana also.
Oh, Yamiadum, BBI come. What are one patriot you?
Yo, me patrol, ye di kind. Me can say yada, Yamami Joyce Ivy, as Papa, Reverend Joyce, yada na celebrate. Once it's you out, dear man, Ghana mine and Anno pay. Adom TV yet. Okay, Cassa was so. Na, would the Ukraine na, a quick, we are singing after. It's yada na Papa. Na, on my name, you may just make an opinion say. I saw it the other any honeymoon. I will Ghana, man, Mohammed, in the crew, happen a day and part of all. Except the moon will be close to a man, so suddenly. I saw it the other. As a commander, in the contribution.
Oh, Wahomano.
I saw it the committee for 6 children. Not also at the upper. Ghana any Nara. Me sorry that Okra is Timo. Sorry, dying. Let what a funny papa so pay and embas. Oh, Mama yen your way, if I say yam yen yam. And to see a yes, I did ya say yam yen yama and yam bonnet. It's a miss Ghana mindful. But I sorry, dino, yes, ye cassie. Make it come here. Mama yen fan shit. Okay. As a child to say, I think crumble for a woman. No more you come, no more your my dear. I didn't see any Christians. You behave this way. Nina dear back to person. Yeah, yes, so big to go back as the cathedral you could see, and you're not a bit chain me media. And yes, I also so not quite for false one. None of your parts and say. Men ye bibia ombeko cathedral kwa koye wo mo meye wo me hono mo na menye sika nesu nyina no me gidi se enkosi baby extrese ye ya hwe bible mu na Nehemiah embra Jerusalem no first one digu ye no embra wo ye se obeko no kwakosi no ya reho ni modedie na wo hene ni hu ne hawo obisa no ka ye no ohine buano se jeko na kokko yes adwumadi na so bra woko no Tobia ne Sambalat fo no wo mu pe kwan bebre so mbesili kwan na omunya de behye Christian yunyam na ebehye efene say ebehye o man no so anyunyam biu na Jerusalem ofeso re bema so alias bi honombo enu ti no mu si enu bi na air coffee na mwe wo se hu so de dia so ni ho sabe yesi wo wiase mu ha ye de dakro eni esi na obi asra baby se na ache na ache endin fie bebre min kamemu ha ya metimi asite baby di achrew bubu ahye Anglican Church ye besis Anglican Church no it take years enye ho na me kwa sorry na so na me akola ketekete me ko middle school nyine wieye eso ade was started even before my middle school age Emma me wie sitting me hall bibi wie to am schools wa e di bedroom pempens wo bi so many years ansa ye bu hagu ni esiesie ha ni ye ni sei na adwene aba na omo ye ni sei na omo ye so so na die e so nya me di say architectural drawing ni ye de to one mo prep na wo mo di dwumadi a wo mu die enti me se Ghana man eni a Christopher se mweti umaka wan ye sei na ye sei ena ekosuru nyina moma ye nyai
all right
na sa ye nia no mon kamofuo
na me na wase
ye no mo nyina sum nyame ba kope
na me na wase it was expected back at TV on Comodia ever for friend you chat on afi madawase hello good morning hello good morning
Good morning. Am I in?
Yes, sir.
Good morning.
Let's say.
Hello, good morning. Good morning. Am I in? Yes.
Wadaroma kasa fidie no jom de kakrama yi. Wadaroma. Unfortunately, we fish. So we also be ma na menene eni enkomo twato na fi me na asese wagibere a hwe. Hello, good morning. Hello. Hello, good morning. Okay, so yedbesi ha na madawase so se wakoso awagibre se wahwe bedwam on Adom TV, multi TV so nyame ya Adom echina efiada ehia bio na akwasinsia na wadi dwuma sonko efia mankwata maklo anochiwa aba ana afi eye sister Sandy be a guy ana Professor EK Wallace yetimi no wahia wa ha ama bibia ka the production team na say led by Kofi Ampedu Welbeck, ably supported by the lieutenants Dache Hene ne wona ka ho nyina anafi Dominic Kisiyeboa, sound control camera lighting anafi set designers makeup for a driver for so mo jebre ebe fa ye fifia won sade ye ko e da bibia so so jebre e hwe out ye nso no we appreciate you so much cause we Adom TV if you on my papa edema ye ko